I am here vibing with one of Jamaica's most consistent and prolific producers. He is also a renowned songwriter and recording artist. His parents named him Sean Reed, but we know him as
Seanizzle.
DJ Izzle. You do my bro?
Man, it's a pleasure. Man.
It's a joy, man. You know what you think, go on.
Definitely.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
I to the Z to the L to the E. Shaniis, that is me. You want to be jumping intro.
That is it. That is it.
Yes, all is well, bro.
Yeah, man. You know, it's a pleasure. I want to tell you, I have high esteem for this program, you know what I mean? So it's a pleasure to be on it, you know?
I mean, I appreciate that from the first time we walking on the street, you did share that.
Cool, man.
Thanks,
Definitely, man.
Yeah, man. Talk to us, though. Early life. Place of birth.
Jubilee, Kingston Jubilee.
Yeah?
You know, after that, Jerusalem, till I was 5 years old. Leave, I went to Patrick City.
Okay.
Leave Patrick City, went to Pembroke.
See him grown.
Yeah, man, right. We never leave the vicinity. You know, between Mar Valley, Three Oaks Garden.
Three Oaks Garden. How many brothers and sisters?
Well, it's 3 brothers, 2 sisters.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, all my brothers passed.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, man.
Health reasons.
2 with health, and 1 was murdered.
Oh, my condolences.
Yeah, man, give thanks. Man.
But the queens are still.
Yeah, man.
Right,
yeah, man. Living overseas. You know?
Okay. And mommy and daddy still around?
No. Dad passed away when I was 12.
Oh.
You know, so.
Early, young.
Yeah.
Oh, mommy is still.
Yeah, man. I'm over there. I go and hold it. Same
Nice,
ways.
man. I'm glad to hear that, man.
Yeah, man.
Where you attended school?
Well, I went to Mar Valley Basic School for like about a year, if I can remember well. Then I went to Miss Smith Basic School, that was in Pembroke. Then Pembroke Primary, then Pembroke High.
And you were schoolmates with Was?
Yeah, man, Was, Nudge.
Oh, Nudge did up on the ground there, so to say, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, Nudge come from far then, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah? What was it like growing up between Jerusalem, Pembroke, where we left out?
Patrick City.
Patrick City.
Yeah.
Yeah, financially speaking.
We never know one name rich or poor. You know what I mean? We just stayed happy and you know, it's a good vibe, you know what I mean? I never born come see my mother and my father together, but they were so much in my life. You know, my father visit me every single day. You know, weekend I go spend time with him, you know what I mean? It was just always a good vibe.
Yeah.
Always a good vibe.
So like the old man passing me have affected you deeply.
All right, my dad passed when I'm 12, right? But for the 12 years he was on earth, it was so impactful that even today, I live by some of the teachings, you know what I mean? And he was a man of, he was a great stature, you know what I mean? And even up until this day, walking even through Mar Valley, Jerusalem, some elders see me and say, you see your father? And your father helped me do this, and your father showed me the way, you know? So, you know, growing up with all of that, me didn't know so me have to come and set a standard. I couldn't let him down, you know what I mean? And moving to, because what happened, you know, when I leave Pembroke and he passed away, I was staying by him before him passed because he was sick. So I was living with him and my stepmother, Aunt Lynn.
Okay.
So when he passed, my stepmother asked my mother if she can allow me to come live with her.
Oh.
You know, and so I leave from Pembroke now, I went to Three Oaks Garden. And my stepmother grew me from there.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Big up Aunt Lynn. Rest in peace. Love you gone to bed. Yeah, man.
Nice, my bro.
Man. Yeah, man.
Where, you know, in the growing up years still was the first, you know, encounter with music to a level where it kind of hold you on a vibe?
Wow, all right. You know, sir, from the beginning, because living in Jerusalem first, you know what I mean, the household was just a musical vibe. My sister had a ear salon there.
Okay.
So music always a play. You know, my mother, she in tune, you know, she love her old hits them. My brother, he would kill you with, he always have the latest cassette them.
Okay.
He know every sound system. So we grew up at hear about Kilimanjaro from early Bass Odyssey, you know, and Renaissance, you know. I remember a white cassette. Every time I think about my brother, I remember a white cassette. The first time Bounty Killer and Scare Them Crew went to England.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Every time I remember him, I don't know why, but I always remember the white cassette mark. Bounty Killer and Scare Them Crew in the UK. Yeah,
So
man.
from early, the music was in the
Always
environment.
around, always around, you know. And then being in Jewsland, you know, going around, and my brother was well known,
Okay.
you know, so we navigate with him. My whole family was well known in, you know what I mean, well known in Jewsland. So you have Jack Scorpio. Sound system was like on another avenue. Edley Avenue. I'm from Valentine Crescent.
Oh, okay.
You know, so we got a shop. When we got a shop, you know, so Jack Scorpio have a shop.
Right.
So we got another shop, and right, that's how we get for see people like Color, Chin, you know what I mean, General Trees, you know what I mean, Dennis Brown, you know, whole heap of artists, you know, we look up to, we hear upon the radio, TV, and actually see them. Remember even when Mega Bantan, I showed the video, I was there.
Okay.
We get a glimpse in that video too. You know what I mean? So as far as I can remember, music was always there, you know. Moving on now to to Patrick City. Guess who live across the road?
Patrick City.
Stone Love man, Father
yeah,
Paul
Father
man.
Paul.
So every Sunday, him string up
Oh.
at the front time yard, you know, and just play music. And I write this and now I start pay attention on a different level. You know, I remember when, cause, you know, me a little boy, you know, me about 7, 8. And I tell you, we got out of bed from about 8 o'clock. But once the sun go on, man, I screech it through the living room, take my little time, pull the door, sit down on the veranda and shake like me there dance. You know what I mean? And that's when I start to identify rhythms and say, oh, this name Far East. You know, this name, that, this name, you know. Yeah, man.
So
And from there, it just never stopped.
Yeah, and I think now, during your high school years is when you started to make mixtapes.
Yeah.
What led to that?
It's just a journey of the music. Because I remember when I was in 5th grade, I went to school with a cassette, with a Bass Odyssey cassette, you know. And at the time, Bounty Killer had a song and it was say, oh, I take this punk and say I'm an Indian. So I'm so excited over I song, I carry the cassette and I say, yo, no know that. And the man was like, what are you talking? I said, what kind of people them in a class? Like, it was so advanced, you know. And right around that time in 5th grade, I met up my best friend. He came from Portland and come live next door me. So I remember throwing a stone off a plum. And it dropped over in my yard, and I just saw one stone fly back over me. You know, I'm climb up to see oh so bright, you know. And instantly we became friends and we share similar interests. He was even more advanced than me where music is concerned.
Okay.
You know, and we were both was in 5th grade. You know, and the friendship we were inseparable.
Who that?
You know, go by the name of Arval. Arval Anderson. Big up yourself, bro, every time.
So it was Arval. Yesterday I want to share similar interests. I'm kind of try work one particular point. Was this now the birth of Murder Mafia?
That's the birth of Murder Mafia. DJ Izzle and DJ Floss.
Okay.
So Arval now a DJ Floss.
Where did Izzle come from?
Shizzle man. Shizzle and nizzle for shizzle, would I kill them with it. So I go to school, man, because at this point now, me had the go-to person for CD.
Okay.
So I know every song before everybody. And I talk about the whole vicinity of Kingston. I one of the top youth them way. Sound system out of my school, I wait for me.
Oh, yeah?
Forget. A link with me for burn the CDs because I was one of the first youth, well, within the whole vicinity where I know of, was converting cassette to CD.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
I see.
So that now, you know, the conversion now, all of the little style man where I sell cassette, realize that the thing I left them. So me was that person that went off to get them back in the game. Yeah. You know what I mean? I convert the cassette them to the CD.
So you were actually selling them?
Yeah, man, we sell
the
CD and then
business from
after
the
a while
beginning,
now we
man.
realize, why we not just do our own mixtape? You know, and me and Aval tour it together, you know. Every lunchtime, school, I don't know nothing about my lunchtime at school. I don't know nothing about school over. I don't hang out. I don't get a chance to hang out when school over. Lunchtime a business. I have to run go back in cause and shut off about 4 more CD because I know some most can sell 2 things. Yeah, I got to school rich man. Yeah, man.
Yeah. And the love continued.
Yeah, man. I have to say big up Miss Anderson and Miss Honey because all of this what I tell you about is not at my house, you know. I can't make no noise at my yard, you know. Yeah, that's it. So all of this are going on at Aval house, you know, and I have to, you know, the respect just endless because, you know, for his parents, for just let me in at them house. Him gone a different school, you know, him left and gone a different school. Them still accept me and I can go over there, burn 2 CD and big up Tyrone because you teach me enough about computer.
So like I was a good boy growing up, man.
Yeah, man. No, but they're around some good people, you know what I mean? But they're around some good people where just want to see the best for me. You know, and the good thing about it is I find something I love from early. So I never get no time for really get distracted.
And do no foolishness.
You know what I mean?
Was there a physical component to Murder Mafia at any time?
Yeah, definitely. 5th form, and when I leave school. Yeah.
Okay.
It started in 5th form. I officially now start to mix.
Okay.
Yeah. I remember the first time we play out was in Stony Hill, and I met, and we met Aval Auntie again, I give her a strength, you know, and Black Chinese.
Oh, yeah?
Just our normal friend when we are, them were idolized, said, we need a mixtape for them on that level. You know, and them came up to us and, you know, and I tell him, say, you know, me sell all that CD and them catch myself. And I say, I'm like serious. And they must say, cool, one, and then they gave me the Black Chinese 6.
Okay.
At that time, it just come out, and then everybody a bootleg it and sell 5.5. So we used to just go half a 3 boats and say, if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where 5.5 come from?
6, the thing there.
6, man. You mix up it, you know what I mean? So from long time, man, you know, big up Nick Photoworks. Because from them time, them know Nick Photoworks, and Nick Photoworks used to take my CD them too.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So, you know?
I think Nick never disappeared. Nick
Yeah,
disappeared
man.
one time.
R.I.P., man. R.I.P. Nick
As I
Photoworks,
said, that
man.
kind of click.
Yeah, man.
Eh.
Yeah, man, from my school days, so grew up to come in a music and stand up in a party and the man I take my picture. Yeah, man, it's a blessing, man. It's a man I always talk about.
Yeah.
You know?
So the mix CD now, how that led to the desire to become a producer of sorts? Well, I guess it started out as a beat maker, really.
Yeah. So what happened is, one night, I'm doing a mix CD, Murder Mafia Volume 3. And I reached about the 15th song. I'm hear a song by Jimmy Cozy and Vibes Cartel.
Okay.
Remember, I do this every day, you know. For that particular moment, the sounds them just start come out. Like I could separate the sounds them and identify. So that sound like
Different
a kick.
instrument and
That sound like we never know about kick. We said that sound like a drum.
right.
That sound like a piano. You know, I'm like, I want to learn to do this. You know, and then I start doing my research, and everybody else say you have to have a drum machine, $4,000. It depressed me. Go to my bridge in Havana where I talk about it, and he must say, Chano, bro, I always want to make rhythm too, you know, but I never would have said nothing, because I know say, this not what I say. So him go to his school now, Covenant Academy, where whole heap of uptown kid did it too, you know. And them now I tell him, say, you have a thing named Fruity Loops.
Fruity Loops.
Come back, run, come on, come tell him about it. And me and him there on the internet and search. Or get a demo version, man, and that's how we start, man, right? So. Yeah, man.
From the beginning.
Yes, man. Yeah,
So
man.
Fruity Loops now,
Yeah,
you take your time and learn the program.
Yeah, man, day and night. Him now just start lose interest in the whole. Gone to different schools, start meet different people with different interests. The boss said, I carry him, I go. Start go to college, no joggers now for study about car. And I feel alone in Gideon because, you know, me have dreams that me and the money I come take the world, you know. But when I give thanks, so I still was able to go there and still get to master my craft.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, man.
So the beat building started now, and I guess you started feeling comfortable enough. You probably start making money. Yeah, listen to this.
Yeah,
How
man.
this
Because
sound?
what happened, you know, we already there cut dub plate.
Oh.
Right at the house, man. Everything going at the house, man. Yeah, man. So you know, you always have some bad artists at school. So at them come now, me and say, I want to do 2 dub for the sound, you know. And you know, right there. So when we build 2 already, 1 and 2 man, we try a thing upon it. And I said, no. First rhythm we build. An artist say, yo, so the rhythm and have no pass, so we jump on it. Cause the rhythm now no break down, you go dum 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 dum. So they're like, yeah, wait for jump on it and can't find that break there. You know, so when you say that to me now, that's how we know there's something not right, you know. Yeah, man, I would just continue, man, and you know.
So eventually now you started going into the streets to get the ears of established producers.
All right,
so to
what
speak.
really happened, a producer from Seaview moved in the community of Pembroke and heard about us. Because we get very popular in the community. Because we do the CD, then we play the little event them and thing. And word of mouth now, so we make rhythm. So him now the first person, Richie Barford, the first person who say him want to hear one of our rhythm. And him hear the rhythm and say him like it and take the rhythm and we actually see him voice artist so we know upon it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, remember, I think the rhythm name Barford rhythm. Yeah, man, and him voice, because him and the Scare Them crew, I think the only person ever there was Bounty Killer, but him get the strength right across the board.
Okay.
And that really motivates
to
we
bro.
make us say, no, man. Look at rhythm out building at the room there. Somebody can voice on it where him cut all the record. You know, so right there's a light bulb come in now in my head. I say, I hit this, you know. This more I do. You know?
Yeah, before we continue with the rhythm journey,
Yeah.
the sound, because you sound play out at Stony Hill, you play anywhere outside, apart from that?
Yeah, man.
And what were you doing? The mixing and you did that?
We mix and talk, man. Yeah, man, mix and
you
talk. Yeah, man, between me and Aval.
Oh, cool, man.
You know, we do a little thing, man. Yeah, man, we even enter in the school DJ competition, you know what I mean? And that's the first time we met DJ Frost.
Oh.
You know what I mean? So he might do it from school days too. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So now, you get a little strength there from Barford, the same name.
Yeah.
Zane, and I guess that would have now led to a greater sense of belief in the thing.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
So
man.
you continued pushing.
Yeah, man.
So eventually, I think you started going out in the street trying, like, man, I look, there's like how artists who go to studio try to get producer to voice them. I guess you're looking now, probably producers to get a listen
yes,
here.
Man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, definitely. So how it start now, you have some 1 and 2 artists who start a rate. You know, you have Foxy Flame, big up Foxy Flame, because I'm one of the first you to give you a dub plate. You know what I mean? You have Insane. You know what I mean? You have Capri. You know what I mean? You have Daps. Them were a voice, you know what I mean? Big up Footer Hype. Footer Hype used to forward, come do some dub plate too.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Even Singing Blacks or
Singing
record
Blacks.
on cassette. You know what I mean? Right round up Pembroke, man. If some people remember. Them will know. You know what I mean? So them time that Footer Hype play upon a sound in a cassava piece name. I think a Rara the sound name. Yeah, man. You know what I mean? So he used to cut some dub plate and, you know, remember we shot something for him from them time then. They will start hearing him name a call after that in a no time, and you know, them things that start to motivate because you feel like these are people where you really come know and see it happen. You know, them things that they motivate and it just keep on growing.
Yes. I think Mr. G, Goofy, was the first really established producer for kind of give you a listening ear on a level.
Yeah, definitely. Cause I tell you, I'm in the streets, you know. Because when I start take on the road, Mr. G look like I'm on tour or something.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Because I go with Mr. G, you know. I grew up come know him, you know. Because Mr. G have a house across the road from where I grew up.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So we always see him come shoot him video them and things. So at the closest that we come to a star way. Oh, they will know some man I do them thing, but I first will see to that, big and Red Rataford in my community, whole heap of artists in my carry with him. You know what I mean? So that was a big deal growing up. So, of course, when I want to do this, I'm one of the first person who think about so we're link, but him never did about. But honestly, you see a man named Scatter Burrell and Dan Carleon. When the man do Coolie dance with him, I say, I have to turn producer. Yo, I have to do this.
Yeah, I have to do this.
You know what I mean? Yeah, man, and go up there and I try and make the link, No link, at them time, man, I like fire, you know. When I go to studio for meet Scatter, you know, like 300 people outside, you know, like 300 artists,
Wow,
300 writer, 300 man with Bill Rhythm, 300 bodyguard, 300 of everything there. Like me I talk about a whole heap of people. So is it for you make your way?
When did they them time? Celestial Sons?
No, Kings of Kings.
Kings of Kings.
At the Upper Princeville Plaza.
Okay.
So at this point I still don't know say Mr. G there downstairs, you know.
Oh.
You know? So I link him and no link now make still, but I did feel that way. But you see, now when me in a same situation, I understand. You know, but the good thing about it, we did meet somewhere down the line on the journey. And I say, no, brother, not like that, man. Just never see you. And just busy. Because I tell you, say, I go private school now, you know, I'm still I go school.
Okay.
You know, and me left school. I go to a school named IAE.
Yeah, man, no,
on Agley Park Road at the time. I walk from Agley Park Road, go Constant Spring, at Princeville Plaza. Because I don't want to miss no studio. Because I try to learn the place. So I don't want to take no bus, I don't want to take no taxi. Because I stop along the way and find out where every studio there. You know, so I left school from like 1 o'clock. And at 8 o'clock I left. From I leave school 1, I go straight up at Princeville Plaza, up at Kings of Kings. And I now left till 8 o'clock. And I tell you, say, throughout the journey, man up there now move either. You know what I mean? And even up there, that's where I met Iactane.
Oh, yeah.
At that time, Iactane named Richie Rich.
Yeah, what?
You know what I mean? Arms House Records with Maurice. Up there with the two, I try to get his name. But up there, I meet Stephen the Genius, Princeville Plaza.
In time,
and I'm at 12.
Right.
When I see me, I say, why are you out here so late? You know what I mean? I'm like, what are you doing? The man said, I'm going to make rhythm. Welcome away, man. You know, and we became close friends, you know. Yeah, man.
So Gino give you a years and he...
Yeah, so they're my house now and kind of get depressed.
Yeah?
Because I try a whole heap of people and I not get no forward. And a man where, because you start meet some people, man want to hear what you do and say, you know, some bill rhythm man turn your friend. Because I say, I'm quick to take a rhythm from you than vice me. So you tell them say me your friend and me your artist. So that was even Iactane. I tell people say I'm an artist, I never hear him yet. Because that was the thing, you know. So remember when I give him Bread Slice, I never see him again. I always want to see him. You know, and him carry me go to mixing lab. So people through the, you know, the glass tinted and we look, I say Sean Paul. I say Wayne Wonder, I say Luciana. And I say Future Fambo.
One will show that, you know.
So I say if I get them on a voice from rhythm, I'm good. I don't need nobody else. At the time, them are the artist thing, you know, international, you know. So I did it and I just see the door pull and the two of them was dropping in the studio. And when I say, yo, wanna do that, you know, cause you know, boy, music change now, you know. The rough them time, the man just arrogant for no reason, you know. You know, I say, no, make rhythm and thing, and, you know, just try to get the rhythm heard. And remember, him take it from me and get it. I don't know if he was an engineer or who he was. And the man put it in the CD and as if it closed, him open it back and say, it can't read. So me go say, but brother, the thing not even look good. The man say, come out of my studio. Remember, you know, we don't know about none of them sitting there, you know. When the man tell me, I say, I need the ball like water. I don't know nobody that come shout off of me and do them thing there. We know another life that we live. You know, remember, we don't have liquor star thing and going from where I go to school now, so it's real world something here. I think about it hard, you see. And big up Future Fam, but the man walk come outside and say, yo, forward than that. You make rhythm. And I say, yeah, man. You must say, make 5 rhythm come give me. Say my number, yeah. And I tell you, say, first artist number that in my phone.
From business.
And I call the number, I never get in yet. But I tell you something, you see, every time I call, I get the voicemail where I say, check it out, this is Future Fambo faster than Lambo. You can't tell me nothing. No. Me just call him in front of one of my originals and say, them have Future Fambo number. You see me? So I'm down my yard now and I say, boy, I don't know who for link I get it. I try everybody and I just can't get my rhythm heard. And here comes Mr. G, he must come check some family. Him family them over in my yard and think I'm mother. And him attack and stepmother hear him and go out there and say, Chad, you know, so Sean say I do some music and make one bag of noise in the yard at the time. I don't know if it sound good or not. But I love if I could have give him a listening here and him tell us if I come up at Prince 121. So me I study that, you know. 121 Princeville, you know. And I go up there and me things that show me know Mr. G from a little. I go just walk past everybody and go in the studio. I 2 months me out there, man.
2 months?
2 more months on the 3 months when I done the out there. Yeah, man. But when I look upon them days, I give thanks to it, I give you discipline and give you a different kind of drive.
Brother, man.
Different kind of drive, man, because you want to know, you appreciate. It was levels, you know. You forward at the studio, you stay out at the gate. Then 3 weeks after, one man might rate you and beg you for go buy something. You're reaching at the yard. When you're reaching at the yard, you feel like you make it already, you know. Because 100 man still out the door can't go inside, you know. And then for move from there till a man might pull the door and you always are try to be the first person them see. They must say, my youth, buy a food over the road for me. I'll be honest with you, I don't know about buying no food for no man. Me I go to school, me I tell them me I star youth and the youth them go buy my food. You know what I mean? So the real world is really a connect with me and I say, John, no star, yo. So humble me, you know, man, I want different world, this, you know, this is a reality, you know. You know, and we there till one night, Mr. G. Because most time what happen, you know, I just know me see it different, you know. When man lock in a studio, like them go in, you know, see them come out back till all 12 o'clock in the night, you know.
Work them
and when them come out, them tell us, yo, my ears flag out, man. You have to check me tomorrow again. Can't hear nothing more. And tomorrow you do it again and you reach all a month. You know what I mean? And till one day, about 8:30, Mr. G came out and said, I said, Sean, what you do there? So I said, what me I do there? About 2 months me out there. And he said, what you mean? I said, you never tell my mother say must come up here. My been a come up here. So I said, John, I can't believe it, man. And I said, yeah, man. And he said, forward the next day, my ears flag out. I'm tired for me, ears mash up, I mix already. I can't hear nothing here now. Come check me tomorrow. I'm there at school and all up on my mind as it touch 1 o'clock. I feel like I'm going to take a taxi today in a car. I want to be the first person, you know? I remember that day that I meet Steve McGregor and 2 we enter. And at this I meet the genius. Yeah, man, and meet him outside and the 2 we out there. And I ask him, you know, him in school uniform. I said, what you doing? You're not too late. What you doing? You know, and he tell me, say, make music and thing. And I was so fascinated because I feel like I was the youngest person to make music at that time.
At them time they were about 18, 19?
Yeah, I 18.
And him at 12?
And him at 12. I may be younger, I'm not even sure,
right.
You know. And the link make and Mr. G send somebody, Buck D, big up Buck D. And Buck D come for me. I'll go into the studio and first time I really got to be heard by a professional. You know, after Barford days and we grew up, we did kind of lose contact with Richie. He did kind of leave from the community, you know, so they kind of out of sight, out of mind a little bit. You know, they continue the journey and, you know. So when Mr. G here and, you know, he never too like the rhythm, you know, but he gave me some constructive criticism, you know, and when I tell you about determined, him say I like the rhythm, you know, I'm going home and him come back outside and see me. I say, I think you got me. I say, go on, man, I want a new rhythm this. So I say, what kind of man this?
Yeah.
And him hear it and him say, I hear that one, the kick we play down there, so on the 4th or the 3rd. It sound off. I say, hey, so come back.
You fix it.
Run out of $30 them. No, no money left. But I need to go back to the studio. I walk from Mullines Road to Princeville Plaza, man. With the next rhythm again. If you tell me saying I like it. But there was just a burning desire. Where I just, you know what I mean? Because I finally I appreciate things in my general. So you see, just to be in the presence of them man when I used to sit on my TV, I know I'm there with them. It was a big deal to me. I say, yo, I now make that opportunity always. I better them say me a nine than I never try. Yeah, man. And
like that.
Yeah, man, definitely.
But eventually, him take about 2 with him.
Yeah, man, so.
Same thing is that him take 2 out of 50.
Yeah. So what you know now? Big up. All right. For big up Mafia, a.k.a. Black Sheep Music. Because him live a Pembroke now and him a bill rhythm to one. But film rhythm them were heard on radio. And word of mouth I say, yo, you need to link with him, man. Few people with me know him and the link make. And him say, yo, you see that's something where I use where you can't save the rhythm them. A madness that. Because a demo version me I run see him, you know. So I say, a madness is supposed to man say, change something in it. Oh, you got to change it. I say, you know what, sure. You see me? And him introduced me to Reason and give me my first official copy of Reason. And me and him start link till him come at my house now. Because at this point now, half all gone to America.
Oh, okay.
You know, and I just me, you know, and you know, me I meet some new people with the same interests. And me and Mafia start connect and so run out the back room and me and him build beer with him day in, day out. I build a rhythm together. I say, yo, Mr. G, must love this Mr. G, and I love that rhythm. Him not like me. And me, him not like that. You know? I'm going to go up there with the rhythm and no, I not even go up there. I go to school, I have the rhythm in my back pocket. But at this point, I feel exhausted, I feel depressed. Because I link a whole heap of people. Then I meet some Japanese, them take some rhythm from me. I say them love the rhythm, get me excited. Then them gone to Japan and I hear back from them again. So I build a rhythm then now, I say, I love it, you know. The amount of time Mr. G say, I like the rhythm them star. I lose faith in him right now. You know. So when I reach home now, I see beer excitement on the road, video shoot, beer woman and thing, and I see one of them virgin named Granty. So I see Granty, I say, all them name want them heal me, you know. Well, I'm not wicked, you know. I'm depressing and I walk go in and Granty say, Sean, so you just pass me, so. I say, you want to go on? I say, nah, man, I don't like that style, you know. But out of the respect, because it's a man who I rate, you know. So I want to go over there and I say, I want to. I say, that's one of them days, man. I just feel down, you know. And I say, something have to take it easy, brother, man. A life and every day and organize, and, you know. I walk off and remember and feel the CD moving in my pocket. I say, I done, you know. Might as well give him the one and then tell me the same thing again. Because I done, yes, so. And I just turn around and say, yo, when G done what I do, make him hear that rhythm for me. And I give him the rhythm and what left him gone to the house. And just throw down myself on the bed, my bag on my back, see me, I'm just looking at the sky. No joke. And I say, I can't believe this. Something I love and it's like nobody not appreciate what I do. I go, because at this point, you know, I start to excel, you know. Start to excel and now I pay attention. I want to go to the studio. You know, anyway, there I do my thing. Here come Mr. G call me. The same day I come in and, you know, I say I got done with it. I hear Mr. G call my phone. At first, Mr. G got call my phone. And me always call him.
The day when they say I give up, eh?
I say, I call me about now. I forgot to tell me say I like that one here too. Hello. Yo, you find it? That rhythm your body. And one piece of excitement. And I say, you come link me up on the studio. I go find some artists on this. No.
Stepfather.
No.
And
No, no stepfather yet.
Stepfather?
It's a rhythm, I think a buckle him name it. Rhythm name buckle. Because I have a sound in night where like it's a buckle and knock.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, man. At this point in time, I don't even own a keyboard, you know. And my next door neighbor have a play keyboard, you know, where him get as a tie, you know.
Yeah,
and Mafia say, yo, you know, say if we run a wire through this, it can hook to the computer and we can get sound out of it. And that's how we get the keyboard in and that play that rhythm, you know. Big up Shemara, you're a keyboard. You know? Yeah, man, and I saw that rhythm there made and him say him love it. And it's like, now that him say him love that rhythm, there's like, I find a farm now and say, oh, I know what you like.
Oh, okay.
So right after that rhythm now comes stepfather rhythm. So I make stepfather rhythm now and bring it go up there and the man say, get up on a road. Now everybody, as I reach, I got in a studio now, you know. Everybody has a ray and thing and I got to school see me, you know, me there exit and, you know. My mother, I walk through Pembroke. I got exit. And Mr. G called me and said, yo, would you like to be the engineer of the studio? Because you look like you catch on fast. Because you record me all 2 times, you know, I don't know how, I never see it. You know? And I said, right now, bro, the bus I'm going to take, 130 bus.
You got exit.
132 bus, I take, man, and reach a Princeville Plaza, man. All right, this so.
Young Blood record.
Young Blood record, yeah, man. All right, this so meet up with Idoni and all of it there, all of vibe, and I hold it off till, you know? Yeah, man.
Nice, man. Persistence,
yeah,
man.
Definitely, man.
Stick-to-itiveness, brother.
Definitely, and from this on now, the rhythm them are forward, and me and Steve now keep the link. And me and him go up him, you know, me go up him studio, and, you know, I show me. Because at film studio, no, Mr. J was set up like this.
Okay.
But at the Genius now, they had everything in there, you know what I mean? They show you all them, the big mixing board, and, you know, so I go there, at first I go see one studio like that, with everything in it.
Ship.
Yeah, you know, and Steve give me a CD, big up Steve, he give me a CD and say, the sound them where I use, which part you get them from? So I say, no, from Fruity Loops, so where them for come from? And he was say, no, brother, you have sound we come on CD where you have to buy, you know. And I said, I never know about them things. Then he must say, yo, you can take one of them, man. And out of that, what he gave me, I created the fast lane rhythm for Buju Banton.
Fast lane, we're so correct. Stepfather, you know, G, Vice Up, I think Cartel is on that. I think Sasha is on that.
Yeah.
G is on it with Stepfather.
Yeah. Beanie Man is on it.
Wayne
Marshall.
Yeah,
man. Razor. Macadam, yeah, man.
The thing on the road, father.
Yeah, man. All right, that's a no.
You must feel.
Oh, God, man. I mean, Vice
Are you Vice Cat? You're Vice Cartel for your whole rhythm, father.
Bro. Yo, you never know, brother. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You think I'm moving in the right direction, I know.
But just add this. So my Vice Vibes Cartel. Up to this day, I've never recorded anyone like that before. The rhythm player, me nervous still not, because I knew, me gone about 2 months now as an engineer. So him go around there, and I'm a artist, this, around the place, me a voice. The rhythm drop, I'm in the hear him say nothing. I look at Mr. G, so he say, make it run. I say, oh, you mean I'm not stop it. Yes, when it reach from the 4th bar, me the man say, but you want a wife roll? So G card, me never, them time the people I record from start to finish.
Right.
And this man just drop on the 4th bar and say, from top again. And the man just fit the song like a puzzle. Like, him start on the 4th bar, then the 2nd bar. Then the next track, him do the 1st bar and the 3rd bar, and it just lock like a puzzle. I've never seen that in my life.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Right there, someone said, no, this more do. Yeah, man.
I never know that you were the actual person who did some of the recording. And Stepfather,
yeah, man.
I think that G, coming at me, I didn't know that you became his engineer.
What happened now? I'm still apprentice. Okay. You have a senior engineer by the name of Blunt.
Okay.
who forward at the studio, and everybody always, Mr. G and there's someone them say, yo, close mark him. And I say, I lie. So I used to have my book and pencil, where anything when I see him do, me write down, I ask him a question, and big up blunt, him never one time show me no bad face, like, yo, you ask me too much question. He always say, yo, where him there, where is he there? But there, I know where him there. You know, and me and him, and me learn, and big up Piranha too. Because Piranha used to book the studio at night time.
Oh.
And me just no want to go home, I just love music. So me there studio till all the next day. Me sleep enough time. Because me just want to dare out everybody where I do music. You know, and that's something I get to learn, you know? Yeah, man.
Eventually, now, you created Shani's record.
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah, not yet.
Because I think, though, the first person, well, we could talk about Fast Lane. Because I guess a follow-up rhythm to Baby Stepfather was Fast Lane.
Yeah.
And Buju voice and Fast Lane.
Yeah.
How do you get Buju for voice one everything?
No, Mr. G and Buju been have a good relationship, and from before when I came there, their promoter heard him call Soul Food. Where I mashed up the whole place, you know what I mean? And that was the first Jacure that recorded in prison. You know, so may I get to experience all of them things here at that time, you know. And Buju them and Mr. G a good bridging. So more time G said, come we go over Buju's studio. And,
okay.
you know, big deal. Like, you know, excited.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? And from this up, you know what I mean? Buju, I pay attention to you now, and you don't know him even notice say you even there at the studio. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up Gaga, man. Yeah, man. Rhythm is called Impact Rhythm.
So Impact Rhythm, and the song is Fast Lane.
So that was the song that really exceeded, you know, on the project. And that song gave him a licensing, and that started the album where Driver came from. Yeah.
It's cool, I can't remember.
Yeah, man.
Me take notes.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah.
So, whilst at G, you know, you learn the craft itself in terms of being an engineer, but you also see aspects of the business in front of you too.
Yeah, man.
I move about.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Yeah, man. And then it was Mr. G and Rad Pinnock was a joint venture with the studio. And something go wrong with the computer, and I just some bad energy, and we go there one day, now I'm all out for work, and studio lockdown. It happened so fast, nobody never tell me nothing. Come home now, and I get a piece of beating from my stepmother now. Because I remember me now going to school again, you know, and I give up something for something when I'm short. And she start for me, I'm there, I cry someday, I don't know what to do with myself. You know? And I say, I can't do this. And if a brother live on the road named Neil Strength, and a brother run a Mar Valley. We call him Sizzler too. You know what I mean? Them now link with Artaways.
Okay.
So more time them go over, they go hang out and ting. So the G now come link me. I say, oh, I'm going to see you, bro. I go run a studio. I say, you know, it's studio lot down, and but not say nothing to me, dog, you know.
Give a G?
Nobody not say nothing to me. Yeah, man, I did hurt, man, because I take a big sacrifice, you know. Big risk I take, and then when I take the risk, you know, be a talk, you know, go on in the car. I have some people in my family when they're too happy for me, you know.
Okay.
Because me at the outside, you know, me at the step,
Right,
you know,
right.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
So, and they're from a lineage where everybody
got school.
become somebody professionally. Either them a doctor, them a nurse. Yeah, so me dey have to prove myself at the highest level I can to be accepted.
Okay.
Because, you understand, I'm glad for that too. You know, maybe through the journey they feel like a fight, but maybe would have been a mediocre today. But with that now, my stepmother, a matron from the UK, deliver one 5-ounce baby where the Queen Elizabeth, Queen of England have to come and honor her. Picture in my living room.
Okay.
So I level them thing there. So
right.
Me can't come do nothing now if it now gonna be recognized, because them now gonna see it, because them used to excellence. You know, so I'm glad for that. as time progressed, because it made me know, say, all right, you have to do this, all or nothing, you know. So, Neil strength, carry me go meet Arthur Wales, because I say I want an engineer.
Oh, okay.
So, I left from Rona,
Young
Young Bloods, and went to Free Willy Records now.
I never know, say, you, say,
Yeah,
I come
man.
for
Yeah,
learn,
man.
man.
So, I want to tell you, say, I'll be a star make from Free Willy, you know, because
I
you
know
see,
that,
Friends
man.
for Real, I whole away in one studio I work, you know. It was 2 studios there, you know. Me run off one part and the next man run off the next part. Have some one of them control the dub plate. Them. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I never know, say, you did actually run Arthur Wheel like that.
Yeah, man,
my
that's
bro,
something I really know how for use. Big up Arthur Wheels, because that is like right there, so I come catch it by the skin of my teeth, for come really get for do the analog side of it, you know what I mean? When I record on tape, I have to close my eye and catch a record, and I like me I see nothing on the screen, you know what I mean? Where I use the 8 dot, them the 24 track, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So, yeah, man, so big up Arthur Wheels for that, man. Yeah, man, I'm going to get for voice some legend. My voice Gregory Isaac already. You know?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, Frankie Paul, you know. You know what I mean? Whole heap of that, man. Terror Fabulous. When I voice Terror Fabulous, I cry. And you know why.
I know
you
why
know what I
too,
mean?
man.
Yeah, man.
I know why.
You know what I mean? But I give thanks for them things because in my peers, this is strange news to them, you know what I mean? So I give thanks to that, man. That's the thing that I cherish, man.
Yeah. I think, no, when you created Seanizzle Records, I think QQ, if memory serves me correctly, was the first person you recorded officially on your label?
No. All right, when I farm,
I think I found the label was 04, 05.
no, I think between the ending of 05 or early.
06.
No, ending of 05.
Okay.
Ending of 05. When I formed the label, still, I think, well, my brother them from school.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So at that time, they lose contact with Foxy Flames, you know? So now, Adapts, aka Tafik, Capri, you know, my virgin will grow. Him live right in front of Harvard at the time. You know, so I'm a virgin and him see where I do it and love it too and come around because we have the sound system now and thing in our living room we have the sound system. Come over and cut the dub plate and you know, and my system start pursue it. You know, so between Capri, Insane was the artist so ready for bus. No.
Oh, okay.
You know, he was like Mr. G used to keep an event called Buckle Thursday with Rod Pinnock. I don't have upon it, and them man they are sweeper with the trophy. All 3 weeks straight. You know? And I invite Capri to go there and he won. And I write the same say, yo, this more I do. You know? Cause you know what I mean? So my little crew that and I try with them same way. And then, you know, the bus start go out the session, I have a little studio now, I'm house and yeah. And then now QQ come from Marvelly.
Right.
And you know say Marvelly link same way, 3 Oaks. So word of mouth has spread. So I have a studio and we meet up. But how I really meet them, Mr. G they do a song with QQ. Because when them just come from foreign, them they make a link, say, you know, they want to get him for a record for some known producers. So, him the better must come now for Calibod. And Calibod now been a general way, always embrace me as a youth in the community. You know, because you don't know. We are doing thing, but Bobby at the higher, at the top of the chain that way. No matter what we are doing. More time we still go stand up out of the gate just to even see who him a go voice or even just to see him and him say something to you because at the end of the day, this man, music pristine. You know what I mean? And I said to myself, say, one day I start produce some music like them, you know? So the link I make right now that circle there and so I get to know QQ them now because everybody with them know me know them and we start meet up and you know, and QQ start recording around here.
Okay. Cool.
My voice the whole like big song them.
Yeah.
Right in it. So. Yeah, man.
Nice, man.
Yeah,
Things
man.
are growing
Yeah,
out.
man. Yeah,
As in, at what time you actually kind of move away from Rowan Arthurwheel to kind of, you know?
I didn't stay at Arthurwills very long. I think it was
Okay.
for like 2 months.
Okay. Probably
You know?
that's why I never know.
Yeah, it was for like, what I tell you that 2 months there, you know,
Yeah,
I
the
never
whole
want
heap of
normal
work.
2 months, you know.
Yeah.
Because I reach a studio from 9, and I leave 12, 1, 3, and 9 again. So for that little time then, when everybody gone, me nah leave. So when every man say, yo, I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm gone to my yard. Me want be the last person to come out of the studio. You know, because more time I want that little moment where everybody gone for even can touch two of the little equipment them and nobody now look. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yeah,
I
man.
really love the music, though, bro. Yeah. So O5 now officially you're settling as Shani's record.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think the first break of sorts that you got as an independent solo producer was a reverse with him.
Yes. Yes.
Talk to me about the creation of that.
All right, so I made a rhythm called Feelings.
Feelings.
Yeah, it was, you know, one of them soulful kind of rhythm,
Okay.
you know. Get one of my classmates from school, that man Riley, to play Hans on it and,
Okay.
you know, QQ them record for me, you know, Galaxy P record for me, Crescenti record for me, you know what I mean? And this is now the first project where we are work on and thing, you know, and we see this really, you know. But you see, Galaxy P, I have to big up Galaxy P, because Galaxy P, I meet him at Mr. G Studio.
Okay.
Big up Delhi Ranks too, him record on the project. We meet them at Mr. G Studio, and we create such a bond and an energy. When we started my own thing, them say, oh, I give you strength because you're the same person of voice.
Nice.
You know, but the project, they unfortunately never get to come out.
Why?
You know, it's like at the time, I never know how to market it. I never know how to go about it. I still knew, I know about the engineering part, but for go out there now and put out a rhythm, I never have much persons around to show
you. Okay.
what to do, you know. So it's like I have it, I want to put it out, but it'll linger. I might send it to 1 and 2 radio person, and one song might play here, you know, but I say, you know, I need to study that thing more. Yeah, man, and one Friday, my bill, all right, yeah, there's so much things happening on my brain right now. So, I left from around Wales and I go and do my thing, but my Wales son keep the link. You know what I mean? And them always call me and say, bro, I need a rhythm. We need a dancehall rhythm.
Okay.
I be a reggae rhythm, Wales them dropping and thing, you know. Me, I put out that one. We need a dancehall rhythm, man. Same energy me I get to, cause like the man them say, yo, like the rhythm where you come with, but to I go on, come with a dancehall rhythm.
Okay.
So I end up build a reverse rhythm and have it as a rhythm I like, you know. Cause me I emulate Steely and Clevie and Dave Kelly. Them me rate.
Okay. Cause I was supposed to ask that question
at the time when me come with a rhythm there, you know, people think I'm an old man build it, you know. You know what I mean? Cause it have the old school vibe there. You know, so I build the rhythm for Daddy, that's Arthurway's son.
Okay.
The rhythm is called Clampote, and out of that rhythm came, you know, your baby father by Vibes Cartel and The Angel.
Oh.
Yeah. So I end up reach back around our wheels again.
Make a lot of sense on so many different levels. Yeah, man.
See, so I end up going around there and mix the rhythm, and the link make back, and I carry my rhythm now and say, Wheels, if you can't get nobody for voice on it for me, I appreciate it and thing. And there one day, and a Friday. If anybody will know me from them time, it's on a Friday, you can't get me on my phone. Lucky I hold my Sabbath, man.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, man. The day I'm on my knees, man, because right now I'm there one crossroad where I don't know what to do. No, you know. It's like I now see the future for how to make the next move. I go up on my knees and I pray to you most. I say, Father God, I need a change. Everybody around me I progress. I do this and it's like, I don't know when I'm there. You know, I pray to the most I tell you, I just see my phone and ring. Ring about 3 times, I say, nah, answer it. Ring, it get to a point where it distract me now. I say, hello, Zaga, yo. And I say, hello, yo. I say, who this man?
Hey, Zaga, you should know.
I say, hello. No, I never say Zaga.
Oh,
Same time,
Zaga.
sorry.
Okay.
He does them a hello with a big voice and I call me down on the phone. I get ignorant. I say, who this? I say, Zaga, no. Just voice for your rhythm, I don't even know you from nowhere. But rhythm just whole lie. But then they write a song to a next rhythm, and this rhythm just play, and me just come like a magic, and I have that song about a year now for voice and can't find the rhythm. All them talk to me not now connecting, like me still try Fatum say, yo, I be the man is me there on the phone with. So I must say, yo, come link me. And I say, you know, I can't forward. It's like, all who not hear the phone, just pause. Like the whole place was get all the crickets I could hear. So what you say? I say, come link me there on the shoulder. And I say, you know, I can't afford my general, but I'm so grateful for this moment. But they are black of reverence, you know, man. But I'm there in spirit, man. I'm there, I just lock in and just give God thanks for this moment. And the man said, I don't understand this. And I say, you know, I'm a Sabbath, man. I'm a lock in, man. And I said, John, no, I rate a different youth, I don't know you. The spirit said it. I will laugh and, you know, next day, I'm like, can't wait for you Sabbath for up. I swear. The first time I hear my stepmother say, oh, you want to drag down the Sabbath? Yeah, man, I will see the sunset, man. I tell them out there, look. Shoot, go around them, man, and hear the song and get it on a CD. I tell you, say, the joy, even I talk about it right now.
Can imagine,
overwhelming feeling, man, I tell you.
Can imagine.
And it just start. It's like from this, so, emotion start. You know, and being, you know, big up the man every time. Being start call some of the radio man, them and say, yo, you need to know him. You need to know him. Really. Because I love that song, you know. Just call him. Dep on them case, make sure them play the rhythm. And that I did. You know, I find myself down and watch it. I never know I reach down there. But I reach down there. You know, make some link, man, and, you know, the network start right there. Yeah, man.
Who was the next person to voice on the radio? Magic?
No, before being the man voice still, you know, but they are recording, you know.
Oh, yeah, they start. Okay.
Yeah, so my youth them up on the rhythm.
You
know what I mean? You have Capri them on the rhythm, you have Daps on the rhythm, and QQ.
Oh, QQ.
QQ voice on the rhythm. No, man, I lose contact with Foxy Flame and we not hear nothing.
Oh.
You know, so there I go and do the things same way and thing. And so G them record on it, and now we are saying we want to get 2 more man for strengthen it up now, for Senator Road. So QQ them now give it the strength first on it, and then Beanie Voice now. And Beanie Voice is like the gate fly.
Right,
People are calling me now, so them hear about the rhythm, they want a voice on it. Because when Beanie Voice, I take Beanie song and run with it at the same time.
Right.
Send it to me, say I need to. When I get Beanie song and play, I can take time, introduce the other song. Because them time the music never rush, so. Right. 1 year, 1 project can work on. You know?
True that,
so
true that.
they work the Beanie Man song and get it out there. I reach out to Maggie for MySpace. Yeah, man, and tell him about the rhythm, yeah, man. And, you know, him say, send it to me, I'm going to send it to him, and it take about 3 months for voice, because I'm on tour.
Yeah.
So him call me and say, I'm there in Sweden, I'm going to find 4 bad lines in Sweden. Then him call me back and say, yo, I'm going to find 4 more lines in Amsterdam. That song is worldwide. You know? Yeah, man, big up Magic to one. And
sit down on it.
Yeah.
Tune can't stop playing dance from
one of my longest playing song.
From one night dance, it will play well.
Longest song, and he came to Jamaica and tell me to meet him on a Daciaca studio. And that's how I finished the song. I've been recording it. I record it here and there, everywhere in stop, you know. And we finished the song at Daciaca studio. You know, this sort of link them make with me and that's the them too, and you know, start meet people now. Yeah.
I think Ninja Man is on that rhythm.
Yeah.
Deli Ranks is on the
Daily
rhythm.
ranks up on the rhythm.
Who else remember upon the rhythm?
Devante upon it. Left side and
Devante
Esco
and
upon it.
Ninja on the left side. I think
Devante and Ninja do the
and
song
Ninja do
together.
the song.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
The Angel voice
The
two
Angel,
song.
true.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So that now was your real solo introduction into the space.
Yes.
Where you've been looking for now,
and
that
then being
moment.
shoot the video. And that now kind of not. You know them time that when a song get a video, a big single this.
Yeah, man, big single.
You know what I mean? And it opened a lot of door, you know. I go cut my first set of records. And I get in the whole system of the music now and I understand
business
it.
of the music.
Yeah. And then I start meet people from Europe. I call me, say, we just got the records. We're playing this and this is #1, is such and such. And the motivation and the confidence, no more I build rhythm every day again.
Every day.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
And you were recording out of your home. That's where
man.
the studio was.
Yeah, man, right now the kitchen.
Right now, kitchen.
Yeah, man. Fridge there, see, and we counter when you're thirsty, just drink some water from the pipe. Studio was very, you know. Yeah.
I think the next big moment along the journey after Reverse the thing was Gully Creeper.
Yeah. So I came with a next rhythm after that named Problem.
Problem.
But I learned right the song. You see, word is power. I named the rhythm Problem and a literal problem. Computer crash. Must see 3 songs get for mix. Everything I got AWire.
So that number guy wrote.
The guy wrote same way. We
can
call the artist and tell them about, you know, the computer crash.
What was that radio?
Yeah, man. All right. So Beanie Man voice to me again.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Beanie Man said, bring the next rhythm, come. And he voice to me again. I was introduced to T.O.K. Then, you know, T.O.K. voice to me. I voice Pinchers on the rhythm. It's a G record on the rhythm, yeah. Kiva, I record a song with Kiva. Yeah, man.
Kiva the Diva?
Kiva the Diva, man. Yeah, man. QQ voice on it again.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Beanie Man, related with you.
Yeah, man. Big up Beanie Man.
So problem was a problem, but you still got a road.
Yeah, never go on with nothing still, you know. This time I start fret. Because I say, after this big rhythm, and then the second one just touch, so. You know, and then I never waste no time. Find the creeper rhythm.
So let me ask you a question now. Was it Ellie come with the song and you build around the song, or you have the rhythm and you hear it?
The rhythm. It's a magical thing. Like
Talk to it.
It's speech, it different. So I met the rhythm, I say, this does sound different. Them time Stephen o'clock 150. Yeah, man. But it feel good. The groove it feel good because I say, Lord God, I don't know how it fit in our go on because Dan Carleone them a clap. The rhythm them aggressive. And here comes the rhythm with just a groove on. But one thing with me, you know, I never follow when nobody are doing it. I follow my guts feeling and the energy where the music I give me. So I say, no, I'm going to risk it and I'm going to work on the rhythm here. And my voice still okay upon it, you know. Capri voice on it again. Right through me a voice Capri and Insane. Still I work with Insane and, you know. Voice couple artists and one Sunday morning my niece was coming in a little zone, my little setup room. I couldn't even call it a studio yet. You know? And say, oh, I never hear your voice, Elephant Man yet. You don't know him. I said, I don't know him. I said, you don't know him. I mean. So I call my virgin Precky. One thing with me, I don't forget nothing. You know.
I realize that, man.
I'm grateful for every moment.
Realize.
I call Precky same time and Precky just voice him on a rhythm him have. And give me the number, I call Ellie and you know Ellie, you have to go through that something there. You know, just call Ellie and get through so easy. You have to have a story with Ellie. You know, and you end up say, if I come check him around and I do the rhythm there one thing. I say, just so blow. Call my virgin, call Capri, me and him go link Ellie around him house and Ellie hear the rhythm and Ellie said, Jesus Christ, God send you. one piece of excitement and me and Capri look at each other like, what going on? The man sit down in the car, lock you out of the car, wind up the glass, turn on AC, in one night can we out in the hot sun and watch it. And then he just come out and say, you know, long me I look for that a rhythm like this. I used to have a dance, I might kill me, I love it, I can't find a rhythm for fit the style for it. I said, so what the dance name? The man said, Gully Creeper. I said, I lie I tell. When him look on the CD, I eject it, Creeper rhythm. Man said, this half it. Ellie jump in the car again and drive a left way. 4 hours.
So
I sit down on the sidewalk. Sidewalk and Hope Road me there. Ellie gone for writer and write song and we did it. The only thing left for the report say car missing. Oh, we did it. I said, God, Jesus Christ. What is? So Ellie forward back with him writer and thing and say, yo, we done the song today. I say, yo, the man I love music. Different. You know, the energy was like different, man. Like, the energy, if you don't go away with the car and me the kind of work, I don't know what I go, I just meet him.
Right.
When him forward back and just the energy, I never see it. At first, I got experience that kind of excitement in music. You know, with the artists and about music and, you know, him say, link up tomorrow, I got done it. I got live on this tonight. Yo, God send you youth. Anyway you sleep at the same place. Yes, youth. Yo, just give God thanks, praise God. God love you, youth. Yeah, man, and, you know, we left the field nice and thing, and the next day, him call me for real and say, yo, come meet up, I go voice the song. Yeah, man, I voice the song up a Vertex studio.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, big up Vertex. Yeah, man.
Song runway, man.
Yeah, man. And what I want to tell you, say, it never just run with, you know.
Oh, yeah?
At 8 months, it creep, you know. At 8 months, me there road, I promote the song and it nah connect. Nah connect. Earlier, I give up on the song and go do sweep now. Go and left me. Nah creep in my sweep. Me, you are out there now and call Ellie and say, Ellie say, yo, I'm going to link Richie Feelings. Tell Richie Feelings I'm missing. Ray. Link Richie now give me enough forward on the rhythm, bro. Nothing. Every week, I'm still out there. Till the man say, yo, stop in my ears. Right in a dance in front of everybody. The man say, let go my ears. I say, nah, give up on that rhythm. I'm live for day in that room, yeah. And watch you see and run that race, the brother.
And do the Gully Creeper.
And when it done, the man do the dance. My life changed instantly. Like literally, my phone just start ring. The observer call me, cleaner call me. I never talk to them people like yet. You know what I mean? So big up your Sean boy. But tell him already still. Yeah, man.
I never know say a song that takes a laugh it.
Yeah, man. It never connects same time, man.
I
get some play, but nah get the attention. I mean, now I get none of the main player them for play it. None of the top shooter them, you know, so once them man play it and ball out pan it over. None of them no believe in that song. Them all say, where am I go with that song? Till him start But remember, Ellie's a man who find song every minute, you know, so.
Right,
8 months too long for him to on one song, but me now no more song. I have to make this work and I need to gain that credibility there with Ellie. Because I want to produce more song with him too. So I have to make that song work. You know, I tell you, it worked to a level where we talk to people from Atlantic Records.
Oh.
We talk to VP. Bad Boy Record when him signed to them at the time I tried to negotiate it. It was the last song I had to the label when the album package up and everything for come out.
Like
and them have to go back in and add it to it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
My whole career still is a spiritual journey. Yeah, man. Some things will happen. I can't explain it more than how I tell it. I just God, man.
Like one God, day man. is a next special thing that again, brother. But before one day forward, so now you have Beanie with a, you have a hit with Beanie, man. You have a hit now with Ellie.
Yeah. And
Plus you have other artists
the
pan juggling them. And hey,
Mataran
sit
are
down
the
pan
big,
car,
big popular
a girl
song
song
where,
that.
yeah, man, everybody know it, you know, you get license. Because one time there when you get license, you know you're recognized now as a producer, you know. When Green Sleeve call you for, if you already my play, no matter how it a play, and nobody not call you for license, you're not hot. You feel that way, because enough of we come from zero. We don't have the money for go cut a record and pay for stamper. So we would have loved to get a license, and then from the license now we can take part of the money there and go around a dynamics.
We'll get some
You know what I mean?
something
I run
cut.
all access, go cut the record them. You know what I mean? So I saw it started, and
So
when we see,
licensing normally help push the distribution.
yes man, yeah man, it help us in general. You know what I mean? Because them time the company them might license the project. So if you have 2 songs, they might take 4. They might just take the whole rhythm. You know? So they took the reverse the thing, and them take Tony Mataran's song.
Sit down, go ahead.
Yeah. Right, the song.
Lifestyle change, brother, man.
Start, you know? Motion.
Motion.
Reach around all access, give them the project and start get it on the record now. And that now make the name now spread now in the world.
Thing and distribute
Yeah, man.
So after Gully Creeper, I think your next rhythm was survival mode?
No.
No?
Came with a rhythm called Excitement.
Excitement.
First
Excitement
time
come before
Bounty
out
Killer.
order?
Yeah, man. First time
Killer Vice. Yeah.
Killer go. No, you're right. Sorry.
No man, everything
Yeah,
good.
yeah,
Boy.
yeah, deal the thing better, man. Out order come before Excitement
Out was a
rhythm. Yeah.
remake of the Stink.
Yes, you're right, man. You're right. Yeah, man.
But that the kind of touch still.
Yeah, never really go out with nothing but the Buju Banton. The first time I got record Buju under my record label.
Oh,
You know, and that song they get some recognition outside in the world, but not in Jamaica. You know, and yeah.
So Excitement was the next rhythm then.
Excitement, never have no excitement. You see me? I mean, I said, God, this don't look good, you know, this not consistent. You come with reverse rhythm, then problem, I give you problem, then you come with Gully Creeper, then out. Lord God, artist them, Lord.
Thing now flow up on one level, brother.
Yeah. So now me have mixed feeling, because I wonder what me I go wrong. You know?
So survival mode coming at us in another time frame.
It came right after Excitement.
Right after Excitement. Dirty Games with him come before or after one day? After one day.
Yeah.
Alright, so the next big break now in the space after Gully Creeper would have been one day.
Yeah.
Or something in between that I'm not pick up.
No, one day, but what happened is I came with a rhythm called Zero Tolerance.
Zero Tolerance.
In January 2010. What
Okay.
happened now with a rhythm then now?
Zero Tolerance.
Yeah. And you will reach me now. Go link my artist, I not call him name. Rate him like, oh, and the man said, don't come in the yard. Depress me. Me and the apart last week, good. Come check him. I carry somebody feel good. Because I feel like I'm a dancer, I carry her with me. The man said, don't come in the yard. I don't know why. I come in my yard and ball like water, literally.
Yeah.
Go link Vibes Cartel. I'm done. Can't tell me nothing about the teacher. I'm going to go up there with Mr. G. And I tell G, you know, something, G, come with me, man. I'm done, man. Rate me. Me and him cool, man. And me and him apart from Wadi. Go up there and Mr. G walk out before me and me eject the CD, you know, for go link him, man. Go in. I know everybody I yard, you know. Only see gate man say, I want alone. I say, I can't let the dog out. He say, no, you. Him good. You can't. Got me heart stressed out because I don't understand how I could have caused this. I say, if Cartel not work with me, I don't have a career. This don't look good for me. What am I going to do now? Come up here and cry water, man. And a voice, I hear a voice. Say, you're too ungrateful. I literally turn around, I think somebody was in the room. I tell him I get afraid, like literal afraid. Like, I water run through my eyebrow. Cause like me have mixed feeling, a whole heap of effort me I put, me not sleep and like, me not understand why that rhythm I never work. You know what I mean? Cause me never produce because I want. My produce because my life depend upon it. You understand what I say?
Produce because your life depend upon
My
it.
life depend upon it. I love music,
That deep,
but
innit,
at this
bro?
point in time, I don't have nothing else but this. I can't afford to fail, and me I fail. You know what I mean? And then now when I get the link with teacher, and teacher send me number and say, oh, me dash you that number, that number you may work with. Your dog, you know about that number, and me know me alone have that number, and I just feel like me in a one good link. And then boom, I don't know what happened, and the link mash up. To this day, I don't know what happened. You see me? I'm going to go home and I just hear a voice say to ungrateful. I tell you something, I look around the room and really think say somebody the in the room. I turn on the light. Right in there, because I laugh, I cry, I pray. You know, it's very spiritual for me. You know. Turn on the light because I get afraid. I turn on the light, brother. And a voice say, you know which artists there around you will love you. Youth, I want to you. Future fanboy, youth carry go everywhere. Fanboy make you know most of them artists. Yeah. Mr. G make you know a whole heap of people too. Daily Ranks make you know enough people where your M-Box mash up. A Daily Ranks they name M-Box. I want to your youth. I say I get a piece of strength there. I say I get a strength there, my general. I say, yo, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, man. I say right now, anybody who want to work with me, I'm ready for work. Me advise anybody, you know, saying 2000, because that was the ending of 2009. 2010, come with the zero tolerance rhythm. Right now, I say, me just work. Anybody, I could have want to fly. If you say you want to work and you love music and you have talent, I go work with you. I not care about the name. Because everybody was a nobody before. That mindset that I work with now. L.A. Lewis, I say walking on my yard. I said, Jesus Christ. Oh, L.A. Lewis find me yard. What L.A. Lewis do on me yard?
That surprises.
So you know, say, L.A. Lewis and Mr. G, they have a fallout.
Yeah, I remember that.
So, I don't know why L.A. feels so brave to come on my yard, because I don't want to see him. Yeah, this one is my friend. Anyway, man forward with him power, I tell you. I know it's true they reach, sit down and I have a reason. Mr. G forward, I say, Lord God, the come man, I go war and dead in and now. Only Mr. G say, where do you? Are you come link for Lucy? Madness. I'm only hear G say, yo, me I cut in, but are you a student? If you want to vice him, you know. I said, vice him? What kind of madman this? G cut, left me. Now a student, I don't know when me I vice L.A. Lewis, you know. So I record one of my first song with L.A.
Yeah.
And it play upon radio. Liquid played Fresh to Death. And then upon the same rhythm they create a buzz where I end up vice. Twins of Twins when them do the song Mix Up.
Mix up, okay, okay.
So
yeah. Oh,
right there, so now I build a momentum. So now I say, nah, ease up. So every week, Liquid have about 5 songs from me. For Fresh to Death. And I say, yo, consistency. Anybody where I work with me, I advise them. They must get tired of me, but me nah ease up. Nobody can get me down again. Work. And I advise Munga start come around here now. I advise Munga. QQ come back around. Because whenever they see QQ for a while and QQ forward, I have an idea in my head and I just give him a advice at the same time. Artists as far as I show them, I don't know him from now. The group, Q, I never know them. But them want to work, I'm ready, my voice them. I just that energy them did upon and so that rhythm they are play and thing and I come with the next rhythm and I load up and everything and I hit me a plan now so I got drop. And then remember I go to a car wash. While I'm there at the car wash now. At this time, Clocks by Vibes Cartel and Popcorn are the biggest song. It was more than a song. At the craze,
Yeah,
at the
man.
talk, if you don't have a clocks by your foot. Yeah, I mean, and my daddy I wash the car, I get washed and thing. I'm only here, the brother wash the car. I look up in the sky and say, Chano, $9,600 for your clocks and a $6,000 me get for my pay. A man like me, you never get a clocks. I don't know why, but it resonates with me one different kind of way. Like me, I said, Jano,
One of the
start.
class up my shine for the cash and
Cool, no man, and
Ja.
daddy and me, I
See
say,
free,
yo,
my
what
bro.
this? Normally, a 6 bills him charge for wash. I give him $1,200. I say, brother, this alone me have still, you know, if you can make up towards the clocks. Because I don't know what you said to me, it connect with me different. That was a Friday. Saturday, I still remember it. Sunday, I still remember it. I wake up Sunday morning, bright and early, and burning desire to go in the studio. And I just start make the rhythm. And while I play, I don't know drums, just the strings them I play. And I just find myself, I say, even though things will Russian, still by lucky 5 pick 3 and Japan. Down at town, I'm shot. Want a clocks, I'm shot. You know what I mean? And I say, boom, but. Here come little niece. I say, yo, press number 3 for me. I should go in there, both revise this. And run. You see me, I record it and so they only have the verse alone. But me now have it, so me I sing it.
Yeah, do it like this.
I'm always a demo things.
Oh,
And
okay.
say if an artist come, hear him come with if him not really come with nothing,
Yeah,
I
make him hear
can
something.
suggest this and if him like it, he can take it. So me have it as one, but me love it still, you know. And me like how me sound. Because normally me never really like how me sound. But me did love that one and it just feel special to me. So Tuesday now, Mr. G Father is studio. And play it for him. I said, G, hear the idea. And I said, this what, man? And I said, how do you think could I sing this? I said, how kind of madman this, man? So I don't understand him. I said, I know. And I said, you for do it, man. I said, Lord. You know, me do want, just, it needs somebody to tell me still, but me feel one little way about it, you know. From before that studio, same time. Same I got foreign, him done with Jamaica.
Music that work for you.
You see me? He say, yo, me I got a foreign and we just come, yeah, my brother.
Say what
I
you
come
about.
tell you later and hope to see you one day in a foreign car. Me done with done yet, so. So I say, for must have your foolishness, man. You're a mad man. You can tell me that and I'm me and your part. You make me know about tequila, you know. You make me know such as a you know what I mean? What you do to me, man? Man just lock up himself in a voice room, man. Go and go sleep. Say him a cut. I now meds so him a say. So all of them gone in there, so I never have meds him. So me and G there and we end up start work on the song and find the chorus now and one day and you know and do the verse and thing and only hear somebody knock on the door. So I say, who that? One hear the person I say, me that.
I sound like a beanie man without even tell me the word. So like
I say, who that? Me that. So I say, alright, you see, you know me that inside, that's already.
Yeah, you know.
Anybody out there so good, you know. I don't have a camera, I don't know who out there, I don't go out there, you know. There, and thing, and only hear the man say about 5 minutes after, I say, yo, the sun out, you know, so I go, nah, I want to deal with it now, I want to stay so so. Pull the door up, I say, Mr. Beanie, I can't believe you have out the door, general. So I can never say you. When I look, I don't see nobody else. Beanie man alone just forward my studio, so I say,
At first time Mac roll up on the block.
him forward already.
Oh.
But him forward to Baby Chris, some of my virgin artists
okay.
who I work with too. You know what I mean? So, but this time I him one. So me I say, you virgin them outside, I say, I wake up and my spirit say for find you. You know what time I last I come down the road and the area and you know we I laugh and thing and I say, what? I say, yo, where I work on now? Maybe you do the way I work on. Remember, I have a next rhythm I load up, you know.
Right.
But the spirit say, play this. I'm excited over his song too, you know. I'll play my song and say, Beanie, what do you think about that song? Beanie say, who I sing? So man say, me I sing the song, you know. You know, say Beanie the man. So you're artist. I like all this song. And I say, not really, but you know, if I a song and thing and he must say, yo, I love the chorus. Play the chorus again. I say, yo, play about that chorus there, what in there. I sing it and I sing it and I sing it. You don't know, be the man I say, nah, man, say him to sing that song, that's still, you know.
Right, you tell me that yesterday.
Anyway,
or,
you know.
Or you don't tell her that yet.
Excited still, you know. And him say, play the rhythm by itself now, so. It's a G cut. Fambo wake up now, walk come outside. So me, Beanie, Fambo, and my virgin will live across the road, Damien. So I always have a little recorder where we try to capture moments like this. So I call him quick and say, bro, come over here, man, record this, Beanie there.
Damien are the person you call him.
Yeah, man. Everybody name we called was in front of him. Yeah, the studio full, because when Beanie done voice and call everybody. Yeah, man. I say, yo, man, Beanie knew that him find a hit song.
Oh, okay.
Immediately. And him just start all that vibe. It became a party around me. The first time people ever did it. Yeah, man. So out there vibe and me or Beanie say, I'm okay, because I clean everything. I don't realize what I'm going on. Man, chop off piece of one part, you know. And then and me, then with him now. And Beanie say, So you say, we're not about that part. Clean every day. And when me record the song, I realize how did and voice the song and it turn out wicked, you know? So him say, Future, what you do? Because Future just out of it, you know, just dead and not really, you know, not engaged in nothing. So I must say, yo, one thing not right. And him say, is it? Go for a book and a pen for me, you know. That a Fambo. And Beanie dead and we play, I'm okay, and we whole vibe, we play it over and over, and I feel good because I say, Beanie, love the song. So I know, say, I can get the support, they won't put it out. You know, I'm feeling good, I feel good, you know.
Feel it, I get the support.
Oh, God, man.
Makes sense.
So I'm out there and thing, and Beanie say, yo, Future, you don't find nothing on the rhythm. What you do, man? No, I'm here, man. A big rhythm, this in the rhythm, I come run the place, you know. And Fambo say, yeah, man, I have something, man. I'm drinking. I hate that, man. Big up Fambo every time, you know. Never a dull moment with Future Fambo, man. Yeah, man. So they are all a vibe, man, and thing, and just him forward and say, yo, man, have a song, you know. So, go in a boat now and thing, and Beanie say, okay, you're all going. We did it, and so Beanie going, Fambo going at the boat and say, I'm drinking rum and Red Bull, Hennessy, like a rock star. So Beanie said, no, Fambo, man. Just swing it that way, there, man. Sean, give me a track. So he went in there to do a demo. It should be a demonstration for Fambo how to deliver the melody. But when Beanie said, I'm drinking rum, I said, this feel nice, you know. At the same time, Fambo threw down in book and say, yo, music I want hell of a thing, you know. Goosebumps catch me. And I say, yo, I hit this, you know. I hit this, you know, Fambo will life change, you know. I remember saying that like yesterday. You know. I said, Fambo will life change, you know. And Beanie just pull the door and say, yo, give me a next track. I say, right now. I say, Fambo, yeah, Beanie do that song here. And I say, yo, you know, years me apart Beanie and I first we do a song together, you know. And the song just turned out wicked. Fambo just one take.
One go.
Fambo verse them a one take. I record Fambo in like about a good 5 minutes. Song done and we just know say I'm okay on a big song, but something about this just feels super special. And I tell you, Beanie go outside and just start call blue, call his hand every minute. So me in here try balance it up
Right.
But just I see be people are walking and say, oh, play about the tune there. Beanie say, play about the tune. When we look out there, they're full. I say, Lord God, Lynn. No, Lynn so come out and get mad. So I force you to see a yard full of so much people. You know? And but they feel so good, man. Cause if you see that energy then, an artist will mirror it. Cause being past my yard, I remember calling, you know. I'm not going until about 9 o'clock, you know, because I say he must pass back, you know. So, for really, and for see the journey, I get some of my biggest success then with being man. I want nice feeling, man.
True.
Yeah, man, I want
So
nice
G never voice yet? Because you said G left.
G Vice, yeah,
G Vice.
G Vice.
So I got repeat.
G Vice. I think G Vice right after we done my song. I think.
Okay.
Within that time there. Within that time there, G Vice. So me and G was the first song we record.
What
on the rhythm.
When twins are twins voice and all of this?
3 o'clock in the morning.
3 o'clock in the morning.
I want to record all that
yeah,
songs.
Man, no, that was
the last song recorded.
That was the last song.
Yeah.
So
I just come.
Cargo song was the last song then?
No, come check me, you know, cause we voice the song mix up and it'll go on to create all the controversy. People will kill me. Voice will go on, name a call, I get introduced to the business. A part of the game. So them record on the next rhythm. So, but we'll be like energy same time, and them become a virgin with them. We just drive, come check.
Oh, okay.
Then will ask me for record something for them, and I just have energy, you know. So I just one of them vibe, and I know me not sleep. So I link them, come link me, and with the excitement and the vibe, I say, you know, so that really me. I'm excited, and I tell them, and I say, I have to put something on it too.
When the girl then do the thing, don't tell nobody.
Yeah, man. You see me?
Don't follow Addy. The man there.
So that song there.
Nobody.
So Beanie Vice and here comes Cargo forward with Baby Chris.
Okay.
So Baby Chris and my bridge. Me always have voice Baby Chris.
Baby Chris pass on reading before.
Yeah, man. I'm a general that man. So me and him a par and thing and so he might come around here. So I don't know where he was, but Cargo was with them.
Okay.
So he must hear when them say, oh, Beanie man there and say, yo, me I come with you. So I saw Cargo come around here. But I talked to Cargo already on the phone, but I never see him yet.
Oh, okay.
I don't know him look. But I did make a rhythm. No, him call my phone. I don't know him to get my number and say I'd like to do some work with me. And I did send him a rhythm. And I saw we met the link and connect. So when him fall, I see the person coming to the studio, but the person not say nothing to me. So I did there, I look. The person not say nothing to me. So I start to say, how would I be there, man?
You know, time I think him have Can't Quench.
Can't Cool, Can't Quench. So at that time, me have him as a reggae artist. So in the moment, remember, me not have that rhythm I plan, you know. For being a juggling, you know.
Right. Oh, okay.
At the next rhythm, you know. Our next rhythm in the name and Warlock.
Warlock?
Yeah, it never even come out.
Because I don't know of that.
Yeah, so that was a rhythm out
where... there in my head, I think it's a split personality, but I said, based on some of my tune on the pan that it couldn't be, but I try to work it out in my head. Warlock.
Warlock, I work upon now because I say, it had the rhythm I got drop. But this just come in a different mood in the atmosphere. You know? So, but at the time, I say, all right, Beanie Vice, I never did plan for it. Beanie and Fambo, Mr. J. I not plan. I eat that. I just have to put out them song because I have my juggling when I go drop.
Liquid Vice it?
No.
No. Okay.
So what you play now?
Yeah, watch it.
Cargo set up say, give me that rhythm, you know. That's the only thing he said to me for him coming in the room, you know. He not say, yo, I go on nothing, you know. Give me that rhythm, you know. So, but me no say is that me have him as me never know how great him is yet, you know. But me know Can't Cool, Can't Quench. I love that song there. So me they give him a reggae rhythm and the idea and the vibe of that song that is bad. So I said to him, say, bro, you know, say honestly that rhythm I never planned, you know. It just happened and thing, you know. So I never really have planned for juggle already. It just happened out of the blues because I have a juggling with me. I really have work on a dance already. But then like my daddy, and I'm in a room with me same way, you know. I'm just turn around and say, bro, I'm going to burn a CD again, you know, because you're a bad artist, you know. And if you're bad pan reggae, you're supposed to bad pan any rhythm. Man say nobody want rhythm. I say nobody want to hear him, man. So, you know, right there, say me have feelings. I go outside and Beanie say, yo, you don't have voice for the rhythm. You want me write a song for you? Because some Beanie there and say I write song for everybody for you there, you know. Got the big rhythm this and so him start meds up something for Cargo. I say, Cargo, you know you're not go. And Cargo look at me, I say, we might get that. You know, that was the vibe and the energy, you know. And we did a whole lot of energy, see him, all of outside, in and out of the studio, every minute being say, play about the song. And I just film song them and play the whole time. So, about 6 o'clock now. So I set G forward back at the studio. And I said to G, say, yo, you know, say, I want voice liquid. I always want to record him. I always tell Delirang, say, I want voice liquid, you know. I hear him as an artist, and if I hear him talk on the radio, I know, say, anytime I voice him. But when I say this before I voice any song, you know, and it's like, all me I say, I just start to hear my voice. And I say, yo, so Delirang say, only man I know we're close to him. So I say, Delirangs, make a link for me now. Because I know Liquid, but I don't know him for talk to
I know
it.
them ways, man.
Send him, have the email me everything, send him a song, them, him play them, tell him thanks, but I don't know him like that. You know?
Yeah.
So I want somebody now, because different thing we are dealing with now, to carry me in on the link. And we just hear the man start a voice song. So I said, Jesus, I'm crying, come like it just reaching the atmosphere. I'm not getting no song yet. And I say, I hear myself, any day my voice liquid, and me I go bust him. That me I say, you know, and that day, the energy when I'm under, because after I say, I go get Cargo the rhythm. I say, no, so I just juggle a rhythm too. I juggle a rhythm too, you know. You better have more than what you need.
Which is
you
true.
know what I mean? So G say, yo, I go call him, man. G call him, man. Say, yo, I come for you, you know, right after radio, you know. Sean find a rhythm, I come run the place, you know. I voice up on it, liquid start laugh. So they really take me as artist for true, man. You know? And G go for you one thing and told them I forward back now. So Cargo I left. So I see Cargo at the side of the house. Cargo said, what go on Lipo? Lipo said, I'm not here, man. If you get the big song you done with me, man, I'm not hear from you, man. You sell out your friend them, man. So I say, Lipo, what you talk about? Yeah, I'm a general, I could have never do that. You make me hear myself on radio. He say, yeah. And then after that, I don't hear from you. You know them hear it? So, but it something stuck in a Cargo events, you know. So Cargo say, you mad man, Lipo. I never want you to think them way there. Rate him a general. So Cargo go outside and in the car. Remember Cargo say, no, I heard him, you know. I go out there now. I don't know where Mr. G come from. Mr. G here, Cargo, I say something about now sell out. I say, Sean, Cargo, find it. I say, I lie.
Like that, you know?
You see me? And so I say, yeah. And I say, yeah, man. I say, where him there? Him there still. I say, yeah, man, him outside. So I burn the rhythm. All him go on all rhythm, I go burn the rhythm, and same time now. Liquid, I liquid it in all of vibe, so I give Mr. G the CD and him give Cargo, and Cargo out there, mats out him tune. But from me ear, so I call him, and him sing. I say, I hear where you have cars. G say, you find it, and I want to hear it. And him say, I nah sell out, my friend, nah. And I say, yo, them two line them in the ear where you have yet, but them there sound out weird. Work on it. I love it, brother. And him say, all right, and him go outside and mats up there. So me in the studio now, with Liquid make Liquid hear the rhythm and thing. And Liquid I say, so I want to write the song. I want to sing for the rhythm. And me and him are all a vibe for you first now, you know, really all the energy. And me and him stand up outside and attack. And while we attack, here comes, the breeze just blow a song from far out. And only hear when wifey come out, them bush to the bone.
Oh, don't worry about it.
I don't know when the man say, yo, you know, so from what they be a party, I keep with wife and me, black and white. And the girl, them have one new thing in his name, them girls stand up and they say, girl, him just a vibe, you know. And all the way I laugh and thing, man. And out of it come, them girls stand up, them girls stand up. And Does a flow and here come wife you walk out, just flow naturally. Like a freestyle, just come out naturally in the boat. And the song just flow from this. Right, that's the day just no song not give me no problem for voice. No song not take long for write.
Whenever you voice cargo, what a day me advise him.
I mean voice
And you
cargo.
voice cargo?
I like cargo I tell.
Yeah? Can him say you come out of the studio and a day
Bro,
me advise him.
I'm glad for the interview here, you know.
Yeah?
Cause that no go so, not no go so.
Okay.
Bro, me excited about music so for walk out of my studio in a moment like this and just gone and make other people voice people for my rhythm. You mad?
So, man.
No,
But you know
man,
talk,
not
you
no
hear
go
it.
so, man. Not no go so.
Okay, okay.
Me in the studio with him. Damien I'm a second and me and him par. So him know how to navigate the studio just like me. When me a voice cargo, we there have some difficulties at some point in the
Key
song.
difficulties?
No, stubbornness.
Oh.
You see me? So me get up out of the chair and stand up at the window. So me actually I produce him and him a engineer the session.
Oh.
So I was at the window with him.
Okay.
And I said, Cargo, listen to me. This is the song I'm going to bust you. Come and tell me about in my white tees and me Adidas. I said, listen to me, that song, I like it. But this is the song we're going to bust you. So I did that the window. But all are we in there? All are we in the studio? Because at this point now, Cargo bridging them forward around here too. Tia for the baller, forward, you know, Rayo, forward. The whole I'm general them, all a theme bridging them and the whole are we in here, all a vibe. Come and tell us, bro, it was just a magical moment. And when Cargo just start going out now, we just know say that you would a boss. Song voice done. So he was the last, I thought he was the last person to record. You see me, so for the day now them song, I put a playlist and it start over again. Everybody just listen to the song them over with a whole lot of energy. You know what I mean? Banky forward down here come hear the song now, cause go excited
Yeah,
too.
Banky was managing him at the time.
Yeah. And Banky forward and the whole of with there, whole of energy. So me hear all that talk there, brother, they kind of shaky. Cause me don't know we have no bad energy. Cause we never have no bad energy, you know, bro. None at all, you know. I something we in a film head, you know. All this time, you know. I what him having him head, you know. Cause when me find out say we not good, you know, me never know, you know. You see me?
Yeah? So
man,
the DJ never link you forward and I say, yo, Sean, you are going. This is this. So I go on with that something there. What? So upon the interview them, I guess probably my interview one of them too.
Alright, that's so. I saw me come know what I go on.
So
see me?
how are things? Because as we reach, so might as well with before we go forward. Because we have all more music with our. How are things with you and Cargo?
I never talk to Cargo from then, like, I never see. Right now, I tell you, I don't know. The only time I ever get hurt in a music, I when I hear Cargo come out and say these things, you know. Because the wickedest thing is when you have somebody write you so, and them have you over you so, and then just hit you out of nowhere. You see me I say? Cargo had some issues with Mr. G. So what I say? Where not even Mr. G knew about. And I write us with it every day. Because we become a family because when people are booked, the artists them are booked the whole away as the one day rhythm sensation.
Right, okay, cool.
We go perform at a national stadium at the whole away Liquid, me, Beanie Man, Fambo, Mr. G. The whole away go play Costa Rica against Jamaica halftime. And the whole away and a good energy and the whole away a vibe and one rhythm and every man a come up and the momentum just get bigger and bigger. But after a while a man just say, oh, him have the biggest song and some other man are running on him thing. Well, we never know nothing about this, so it just happen. It's like him couldn't hold it no more till it just make an outburst. You know? And that's the first time we're gonna have a bad energy. Up at Richie Stevens album launch. So the whole of we left from round here, you know, because we did do a dub plate, you know, me, Cargo, and Mr. G do a dub plate for Tony Mataran. the whole of we in the dub one time. And then Richie Stevens forward around here and tell me, say, today I'm album launch. And so the whole of we left and go separate ways to get ready and meet up back and go there one time. So when we reach, we had do interviews with Hype TV and such. While we did there, we don't know when Cargo miss. Now the rhythm my ear start play. And my ear Cargo say TR4 and the whole place tear down. So every man start running over for go near the stage because you're there on the rhythm there.
Right.
You know what I mean? And that was the culture. The whole of we there on the one rhythm, the whole of we are go out there and hold the vibe because all of the songs them are recognized hit songs.
Yeah, man,
so it's not like a man a come on the rhythm, I come on the stage, I got broken energy. Every song I stand solid on them own. So, same time, Mr. G say, yo, we have to cut the interview in a show, what you do? I say, yeah, man, we go up there, man. Because Richie did ask for forward and come, so all a vibe with him and thing. So, we there at the side, when we there at the side, I say, twins are twins, so twins are twins. So, yo, when you sing your song, call me on. I say, all right, no problem, bro. I never know say was that energy. So, when Mr. G went out there now, while Cargo sing him song about 3 times, and then Mr. G walk up on the stage and the momentum. So Cargo look around and say, I not sing, so where the crowd and noise come from. That's the first time I can know say there was a vibe.
So it was actually Richie Stevens thing and not because apparently one interview I saw with Cargo and say I keep it on show.
Nobody know about it. This is what going on head. But at first it will come out now say, so his thing now after that night. I may end up get the flap, you know. I may end up get the beating, you know, because when me now, when G go out there now, me at the side of the stage now, because I say, he might call me on now. Because I don't want the whole of when I bomb rush it. Every man do them thing and then you call the next one. So me see Cargo with the mic, me think of me Cargo come to. If you give the mic, so me at the side of the stage now, I stretch out my hand. I say, yo, I'm tired of it. If everyone I go on the side, turn around and last. And I say, I just left the studio with a G about an hour or 2 ago. How I go on? So I look upon him now and the man a chat some tough talk. Embarrassing vibe when I just feel like a fight. You see me? At the same time, you hear Mr. G say, oh, my brother there. Just in time for catch for sing one day. And I sing the song, all me I sing, I not there. Come I say, what could have caused this? Me no know. Every day we are par, bro. Every single day. You see me? And I write this at the first time, but the next day him call me and apologize and say, he never did know say I'm me.
So this was before split personality?
We have split personality now.
Okay,
you see me? We have split personality now. We have the 2 songs them now. We are gear up now for Sting now.
Oh.
You know what I mean? But I never, like around September, October them time.
But separated apart from that, you know, some of the pronouncements that Cargo made, you know, there were allegations of he not being given his dues financially and quote unquote he was robbed, basically. That's the long and short of it. And he threatened lawsuits against man like Shaniis and Scatter that are after the McGregor thing. Court ruling.
I don't know about none of that. That me, even when me hear about it, you know, me start make call because me want to know if something go wrong for real.
Okay.
Because things can go wrong where you don't know about. So me really go check and me say, me and nobody not have money business. Furthermore, I try to set the business up where I never have to pay you. You get paid direct.
Okay.
You know what I mean? We're in technology there where nobody no need for paying the artist again. So everything set up, you have royalties, you have mechanicals, you have everything was set up where it goes straight to you. So once you sign up to the society and everything go to you. Me, you know, so I know back in the days in a Jimmy Cliff time I watch my other day come where man I pay you $25 for your royalties. No. The thing set up, you sign to the society and the splits. The day when I split carry one day with him to register it, I call him on the phone. At that time, the mega know say his name is Ricardo Gale. And I never forget his name again because I saw me get his name. I call him and say, what's your right name? But they up at J-Cap and I registered with him. If him be honest, he will tell you. Me up to this day, me and him never, we might not meet When me hear my cousin say, Sean said this, me and you not talk all no,
So
bro.
since those interviews that were done, you and Karga's not have a conversation about anything that has been said?
No.
Okay.
You know what I mean? But I've heard that him say, you know, get carried away and people in him ears. You know what I mean? But me is a grown man. I'm not going to work with that still, you see me? Because you have people who are still out in the world who don't get a chance, like how me and you there to have this conversation. So they might run with a false narrative. You know what I mean? And you see my integrity, my life depend on the line for that. And when you smear me, my integrity, I'm not going to feel the same.
That hurt you, bro.
It must hurt because I'm there foreign and man see me and say, yo, how you and Cargo have? When me and Cargo create one of the biggest songs in history, I know them kind of energy they have. You see what I say? You know what I mean? Because everything I love, even the second song, I write this so I sit down outside and I say to him, say, bro, like how you say you now sell out your friend them, you buy the red under and it'll kill the place. But no five man them used to come around here with you, me not see them again. So you not sell out your friend them, but I wonder if your friend them say the same.
I sell out my friend.
A reason why I reason, you know, I say, yeah, eat your ferments, you know, and the man go away. And meet some more artists and say to them and him end up calling me and say, yo, you know, I find the second song. So the second song came about. All of a real life thing. Me have Cargo as my family, bro.
Yeah.
You see me? Everybody who up on the rhythm become family to me because that moment I've never experienced it again. The way how that day was created,
One day.
you know, me no want to smear that kind of memories them on. You know what I mean? And honestly, as I get older, I never made Cargo in a negative way. You see me? I say, I no made Cargo. Because you know, you see me, everything that happened in my life, God give me. So if me give you $10, I not worry about you for give me back $10. Because my $10 sure. Because of the most I work for. So I don't worry about them things. I just vex how it happen. Because even if you have a problem, if something you don't understand then, you could have called me. You know what I mean? Because we never have an energy where we not deal. Because the one time, as I tell you, was the Richie Stevens time. And the next day, because I call him the whole night. Him know him frig up. And the next day, him call me and say, bro, I not lie. Sorry about that, you know. You know, I never realize say you. I know, but him, no, I must try to say, but me did cool. I will move on and I record more songs. We have only more songs to record. So I don't know where the energy that come from.
Yeah, move on and all still.
Yeah, man, can move on, man. Keep the happy energy.
Yeah, so one day came and last a lifetime, innit? Big rhythm. Every song on the rhythm,
yeah, man.
a hit song.
Yeah.
Every song on the rhythm, a hit song. You know ton artists?
Yeah. I travel now, I go all boat, go perform. Yeah, man.
And you never envisioned the part, I think, there.
Why, I tell you.
So
The first performance was for Claro.
Oh, okay, the phone company.
Yeah, then we got start do the school tours in Jamaica. Then I went to Bahamas, my first international show, you know. And then keep on going St. Lucia. Then we start go America and all about. Yeah, man.
Let me ask you a question though. It's kind of a business related question. So whilst all the songs and the rhythm a hit song, which song has done the best commercially? You don't have to tell me how much money you make still, but just tell me which one has done the best commercially after it.
Hands down, Red Bull, drinking Red Bull, yeah, man.
That song entered the Billboard, innit?
Yes, it did.
Because so one of the things when I never get into the research, so I know you have Billboard entrance, and I know you have Grammy nominations.
Yes.
3, but only 1 I know, and I have a Beanie Man Simmer album. What are the other 2 Grammy nominations?
Oh, Elephant Man, Let's Get Physical.
Oh, so that are the Gully Creep
yeah,
upon Let's Get
Fast
Physical.
Lane with Buju Banton, Too Bad. Yeah.
Mad thing, man.
Yeah,
Congratulations,
man.
man. Go and practice one. One of them are correct. And the Billboard entrance. So, talk to me about that. Which are some of the songs that... So, we know I'm Drinking is one of them.
Yeah.
Which other songs?
Same Gully Creeper.
Oh, okay.
Busy Signal and Born to Killer on the album.
Killer album?
No, Busy Signal album.
Busy.
First, the album name that slipped me, and I'm not work with that, you know. I'm fine. Parts of the puzzle.
Parts of the puzzle.
Yeah, man.
Oh, billboard plaque. Send it
Yeah,
forward, come give me that.
Yeah,
And
man.
show up on the thing.
Definitely.
Yeah?
Yeah, true, it not land yet in Jamaica.
Oh,
I'm
no,
not talk about it, yeah, but
Oh,
yeah,
no,
it's
no,
official, man.
Congratulations again,
Yeah,
man.
man.
So the music I reach various places
Yeah,
and
man.
various years.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Yeah, man.
Definitely.
Quality work, man. So the next big rhythm after One Day was Split Personality.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah,
Body
man.
I work together, brother.
Yeah, man, one of my favorite, man.
My favorite out of the catalog,
Yeah,
my favorite
yeah,
project
yeah,
that.
yeah,
You know, One Day have a vibe and
Yeah,
so,
man,
but
yeah,
some of
man.
the songs them pan the cargo upon the rhythm are my favorite song upon the
Yeah,
rhythm still.
yeah.
Now I select my friend part 2. Now I
Yeah.
select part 2.
Yeah.
Beautiful song. You understand what I say?
Melody sweet,
See?
man.
And your voice on that rhythm too, I think you have shades with Black Rhino.
With Black Rhino,
Yeah, man. Actian and Zamunda.
Yeah.
I think better than them that song the name.
Yeah.
I think so. And
I'm never
Liquid
sober
again.
being,
I'm
man.
never sober with Fambo.
Wife, Walk and Wine.
Walk and Wine.
Liquid.
What's that wine?
Mr. G beat them bad.
Beat them bad, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Beanie again.
Movado.
Pan the thing.
Pan the thing. Big song. Yeah, man.
Clocking, brother.
Yeah, man. Holy pass
So
song.
this
Holy pass
time
song.
now, you probably never have you probably not second guess a thing because probably for the first time in the production journey, you clap back to back.
Yeah.
You know
All right, so I have to big up Richie Stevens now.
Okay.
Cause
Yeah, Richie up on the rhythm there too.
yeah, man, Born to Love You.
Born to Love
man.
You. Mm.
All right, so what I go on now, One Day around the place. And Richie, I work on him album. So Big A, he make a link and say, who are you there? You know, you have no link to him? I like him sound. So I say, Big A, I say, yeah, man, I know him, man. I give a link. So one day I'm there and Richie Stevens called me. And I said, Richie Stevens, I read them man, they don't know them man from your youth, you know. You know? And I said, yeah, I'm working on my album, I'm gonna love for all the vibe with you. And I said, yeah, man. I said, when? Because I know you're busy. I said, I'm ready now. So I said, for real? You link up and thing, and he came and he play cards. I said, I have these cards for a song I play on my piano, but I feel like something can come out tight.
Oh.
And I said, I love it. The cards are nice. Same time I start work, and that's how Split Personality rhythm came. So that song was really a single. The rhythm was made as a single.
For Richie?
And when I'm done, hear me, Jesus Christ, Richie, I need the rhythm in my life. I love it. You know, and Richie called me and say, about 12:13 at the night, Richie called me and said, I want to listen to the song, you know. The rhythm bad, you know. I said, call on them guys, you know, should try to get them on the rhythm. I said, come like God, thank you, God. Come on, tell Uncle Richie, I don't know how to tell him, you know. I said, that rhythm, I need more song for it, you know. Yeah, man, and the energy, you know, I big up Richie Stevens, man. From them time till now, you know, I play, you know, there's a man who I respect, you know, I look up to certain.
At this time now, you would have cemented the space in your place in the music space as, you know, a go-to producer, hit-making producer at this time, man.
Yeah, man, like, the doors start open now, you know, the Japanese, them are flying for make rhythms, you know what I mean? Yeah. Whole heap of things start happening. Yeah, start
good things.
face some magazines and, you know, BBC are flying. Yeah.
Hard work start pay off, man.
Yeah, we start look different now, you know?
Look different.
Give God thanks, you know?
Yeah, man. So we are talking about some of the other rhythms, because you have built many rhythms, yeah?
Oh.
Another rhythm that got a lot of love was the Sunrise rhythm.
Yeah. All right, so before we reach a Sunrise, you know, so it was after Split Personality, came with Dirty Games.
Oh, Dirty,
And
okay.
right after Dirty Games, came with a rhythm named Hungry Dogs.
Hungry
right
Dogs.
after, come and say, nah, ease up.
Hungry Dogs have Beanie Man.
Beanie Man, yeah.
Can't,
yeah, them
Bounty,
time they Bounty, they have a little vibe going.
Oh, Bounty is we can't call
Yeah.
the name again. No long talk.
Yes. So right after that rhythm there, came a rhythm called Sex on the Beach.
Beanie. One Sex on the
Yeah,
Beach.
yeah. And we have big song by Tyrus Riley on it too. You know what I mean? And
Which
Charlie
Tyrus is it
Blacks.
again?
Why don't you come over?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
True.
Yeah, man. That big
tune.
song for me. Yeah, man. And Charlie Black, they have a big song
Yeah,
on
but
it.
yeah.
You know, nice rhythm. I go over Bahamas and the Ja Vinci on the rhythm is the only song play. Like literally, like I call Ja Vinci and say, bro, I want to go on that world because no other song now play about this. And where I come from Jamaica, I don't have a clue. You know? Yeah man, that rhythm balance about the thing. And then right after that rhythm came the Sunrise rhythm.
Sunrise.
Yeah.
Time the Seanizzle.
Yeah, man.
Beat them bad. Then other rhythms along the journey. Yeah, a wet up rhythm.
Yeah.
Dan Dada rhythm.
Yeah,
And a lot of
90s
these
Dan Dada.
rhythms you were voicing them, but we soon talk about some of your songs outside of one day because probably a lot of people don't realize that you have recorded so much.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know.
We can talk about a few of the songs. Upscotch rhythm, I think QQ
Yeah,
and
that
Gangool.
was in the first part now. That January.
Okay.
When I say I just a record. So that was a voice, just 2 songs on that rhythm. Q and RP and QQ.
Oh,
You know what I
Gangool
mean?
is not on the rhythm?
No.
Yeah.
I never worked with him before.
I'm sure Mr. Sitting when I reach a Gangool upon the rhythm. I'm saying Gangool met that one here. Happy Boulevard is another rhythm, another thing.
Yeah.
Compassion rhythm.
Yeah.
Motivation rhythm.
Yeah.
Version of a big song on that.
Yeah.
My time. It's my time.
Only for big
Big
song for
tune
the
upon
rhythm
that,
there.
man. I
Only
think Motivation
Da
is
Vinci.
also the rhythm where Chris Martin sang
Yeah,
about
stop the violence
wood
against women. Yeah, man.
Beautiful song,
Yeah,
that
man,
brother.
yeah, man. The rhythm there is a rhythm I play all the time.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Then other rhythm like Jetstream, Black Leather. I think
Jetstream, wasn't my rhythm.
And your rhythm?
No, Studio Vibes.
So all you get involved in that?
Studio Vibes reached out to me to record a song on the rhythm.
Oh.
Yeah. That was when I'm first rhythm coming in the business.
Black Leather.
Yeah.
Rhino.
Yeah.
I think Rhino have a tune on that where Emma. So I call out on.
Yeah,
so
man.
No
man. Me not take no time.
No man.
Yeah,
No
man.
man. True. 47 floor rhythm.
Yeah, man.
Zane. And one of the rhythms I recently come across the thing. Like before we work out the interview, like I start hear the rhythm, Zane. And I start at the busy first. I think I come across on the rhythm. Lonely Road rhythm.
Oh, Lonely Road, yeah.
Beautiful rhythm.
Yeah, man. Give thanks, man.
Busy, Bugle.
Yeah, man.
You are on the rhythm though?
No. The rhythm there we have Alex A Game, Nudge, Top Man, Busy,
I'm listen to the Top Man
and
on it as
Bugle.
well.
And Chronic Law.
I'm gonna listen. Chronic Law is
Yeah,
on it.
man.
I listen to the
Bad
Bugle, the
song.
Busy, Top Man.
Yeah.
Zane? Because I kind of just come across and when I reach around to you like that, say, nice little vibration, man.
Yeah,
The
man.
Bugle deep on it, man.
Yeah, man. The rhythm there was a energy, you know.
How long ago was that rhythm?
2019.
2019. Yeah?
Yeah.
The rhythm they're supposed to play more in that space, man. But you know music was still, it's a different story that. You act and do some whole heap of good work around that together.
Yeah, man.
Because
Whole heap of work.
we talk about the tune and the split personality rhythm.
Yeah. That kick it off.
Wine and jigger.
Alright,
Ride
so,
and
so
wine.
yeah, so in order, the song there with him and Zamunda, first song will kick it off. Then the second song we do was well, Actian start voice on every rhythm after that.
Okay.
We just not gonna list but realize
Every rhythm.
every rhythm after that.
Some of the tune them would do well feel though.
Yeah, it was Gyal give me a bun. Gyal give me a
And
bun.
your tune that too?
Yeah.
My chest plate a bun.
Yeah, man. Gyal give me a bun. Then wine and jiggle right after that.
I mean, gyal give me boy, that rough. Yeah, that's a wine and jiggle and ride and wine.
Yeah.
Young play have a chemistry, man.
Yeah, man.
And you know, I'm gonna leave that alone. I'm gonna ask you one question. I'm gonna stay right. See it? In 2023 thereabout, you were involved in the remix of the Nudge song. And Nudge running from, can you say and Nudge got school together?
Yeah, so
I never even realize that.
yeah, but my Nudge never par when I got school.
Okay.
You know, we never, but I didn't know him. I know him as DJ, you know.
Okay.
So we know him, we know us. You know, she know I come to school and them a clash and them things. So yeah, man. You know, in Sean, you know what I mean? So it was a group of them where I do them thing. You know, so when Beanie came to the studio in 2010 with Baby Chris first time, he came with him, because like him say, baby Chris said, yo, I go check Sean. He say, Seanizzle. I know him, you know, me and him go school together, you know. So I say, if you know him, come forward. You know, and we did, that's the first time I got see him after many years.
Oh, okay.
You know, and then 2013, him come give me a link again, and, you know, my pass through. And then in 2014, I recorded the first song with him.
Oh, okay.
You know, but at the time, whole heap of things are going, you know, so me did realize I need to give him like a lock in with him and work with him, because film style of DJing at the time, him never too up to where I go on
At the
moment, but him a bad DJ, like him can DJ. So, but me I work with Dexter around here, Seanizzle. So it's like for give him that moment there, it hard. Like when I really find a gap there, me tired. So in 2014, no, 2015, him start forwarding more. I said, just come at the studio. Just come at the studio. You can just simply learn from just their own the greats them and see how them do them thing. So you know, so me give him that invite and say, you can come at the studio, man. Anytime you forward, everybody knows say, oh, you know, let you in and thing. So, you know, while him did that, me and him start connect. And me realize there's a youth on my rate, you know, and it become a bridge. You know, and then now when my accident, before my accident, me and him start to get real close.
Okay.
But when my accident, when I only youth on me say,
oh.
You know what I mean? And I say, oh no, I have to get a youth your strength. Yeah.
See, I would talk about the accident down the road still.
Yeah, man.
But I know, say, even before we finish up the Nudge conversation, I know you work with people like Benzel for a while.
Yeah.
Cubanis.
Yeah.
I Queen.
Yeah.
So what to them link there? People just move on and stop.
Yeah.
Circle and stuff.
You know the journey. You know what I mean? A lot of people along the way.
Yeah, man.
And then as time go by, some people just feel like maybe the thing now move fast enough, you know, and start looking. And everybody look for them way out.
Yeah, man,
so,
definitely.
You know, Cubanist though, me and him keep the links here because Cuban came here as my engineer.
Oh.
You know what I mean? And I hear him, because even the song now talk to him come up with the chorus.
Oh, okay.
So I always find some bad melody and I say, yo, go in and vote, bro. Just sing what come on your mind. And he made up voice on that rhythm too. And that was the first time I recorded him. I grade me in air. Yeah. So that was the first time I recorded him, man. Him turned it down around and Mafia. Yo, I fought him, man. And him confident. And I say, yo, let's do some work. Yeah.
Yeah.
He end up get the opportunity and go to America. Yeah.
So Nudge did kind of their foot for a long while before I'm really and truly get a looking at the space. And that looking really came after the remix of We Run the Ground.
Yeah.
And he did that for somebody in the UK, Genesis.
Yeah. Yeah.
So how you now decide to just take on?
All right. Remember, you know, Nudge, I'm a virgin. And tell Nudge and everybody, so I do this for real. Like, I really do music. Like, I not just hear an artist and run go voice him. Like, my voice, the hands, because I really do music. Like, God bless me that way, the way I can hear things and put it together and it work. So, he came to me. Them time that the studio was under construction. I build the studio now.
Okay.
So, he visit me. Come and tell him, you know, when I build the studio, I say, rebuilding my studio is a choice that I made. You should not suffer the consequence of that. So may I give you the authority to go and record.
Oh.
So you can voice to other people because I don't think it's fair for you to wait till me done build my studio before you voice a song. If you want to do that, no problem, because you know I got you, bro.
Right.
But at the same time, I not stifle your creativity. So I don't have no problem if you go out there and voice some song, but please let me hear the songs, then make sure say the songs they make sense. Because we are trying to build a standard as we go along. So he came to me with the song. And I said, bro, I like the song, but it won't rearrange.
Okay.
Yeah, it take too long to get to the point. He never liked that. So he said, but the producer like it still. It's the first time I got ear nudge opposed to something what I said to you. Like I must say, the producer like it, and just like you as a producer, when you voice a song, no man can tell you how to record it. I say that's not true. If it's a constructive criticism, of course. You know, I'm say, you're right, bro, I hear it true. But then I hear the song and I play it and I come here. We have built a studio and I knock down the place and I just we can't help. We can't help you hear the song. So I say, you know, say, when the song say Rich Badness, the song starts. So before that, it have a whole 16 bar before it get to Rich Badness. And I say, you know, say, I write this. So if I tell him, say, if them rearrange the song and start it right this, so I feel like it I go jump. However, when them start preview it, them start it with Rich Badness. Okay. I say, yo, so I tell you, man, I hit that time, I say, hey. Then when the song come out, it still go back the same way.
Oh, okay.
I say, the man a deal. So anyway, the studio done build now, finish. Keep the launch for the studio and thing and all a nice energy and sit down out there. Me and Capri and him brother Steve and Wacky. We sit down outside and just say, boy, we give God thanks upon the studio, we love it. And, you know, all that energy. And out of now you just hear the breeze just blow the Busta Rhymes song. And I say, you see that rhythm, I love it. You see, like, I can't get used to it. Every time you have to give me that excitement. I say, you know, so I'm going to try a remix. You know what I'm going to do? So I Capri there beside me at the time, and I say, yo, I'm going to try a remix one of your songs them upon it. I'm going to try a remix on a Capri, not song too. You know, and I try Capri song, and it just never did work for me at the time. I'm going to try that song now. Flip it around, chop it up. I not even did have the acapella, because I never me record it. I buy a program where I can take the vocal out of the beat. I just the passion I tell you general. I flip it and done about 5 o'clock in the morning. I just send it to game and go sleep. But 11:13, the phone and go on. You can't wake up, brother. You can't send me this and just go sleep somewhere. That's the baddest thing. And you know, I'm coming out of the studio and I say, bro, I love it. And I say, I love it too. But if you listen to it, I didn't make an intro because I say TikTok attention span is very limited and you're not somebody that they're getting up to look for.
Right.
So them just need for when them go so.
You hook them.
Rich Badness say no, some just say no intro, get to the point. So I did it really for TikTok to get a buzz for push the original song. But the remix became the song. You know, I just see it start move. So instant my link, my virgin over there. England named Omar. Omar is a well-known manager in the UK. We work with a lot of greats as well.
Okay.
You know, and then I say, yo, but I love you come on board and make me and you manage Naj and the song here because this already passed Jamaica. You know, and you over there very quick. Yeah. So I say you over that side there and when we look on the analytics, it has a UK, solid upper top and everything is done. So you already over that side, but I love if you could maneuver it from there and came in and him hear the song, him love it immediately. You know, it just get crazy from this.
There's also elements of Bam Bam in the remix as well.
Yeah, man. Before me even go so far, big up CJ the dancer.
Oh, okay.
Because the dance it propel it to a whole different level.
That became one whole thing by itself.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. What gave you the vibe to infuse bits and pieces of Bam Bam?
I just the element to me in at the time. So when I'm a creative, when I do some things, I ask myself why I do that. So I guess in the element, I say, all right, we know people are going to rhythm. What we can do to make it have a twist? Because I want something in it have a moment. Because I learn that anything I do, try to create a moment, something where them I always remember. So I say, this them never planned for in them years. So that was the ear candy.
Different.
Yeah.
So Busta Beat and Bam Bam infused and everything shot, dance move and not J Road on a level.
Yeah.
Patience of its virtue, innit?
Yeah,
Yes. Now we can talk about You know the artist.
Yeah.
See, we talk about one day. That is your most
Known
known
yeah.
song. Yeah? I would say Shades and the Split Personality Rhythm with Rhino. But you have quite a catalogue going on them part. No Sad Story.
Yeah.
One of the tuning and the thing. You understand what them are pre me for.
Yeah.
Zane. Happy Boulevard. I
Yeah.
guess they do the title track for that. Cut Them Off.
Yeah.
Feelings Them I Carry.
Yeah.
Run Gal.
Yeah.
But the tune in your catalogue will stand out the most to me, and to be truthful, is when me I do the research for the interview, I come across the song, Another You Drop Again. Something about the song.
Yeah,
But
man.
also when I listen to the song, and this is not an indictment on you, you know. It's just that when we're raw on the music, we kind of study the music on a little level. So,
Yeah.
we ears, another deaf ears, you understand? So when I listen to the song,
Yeah.
I jab into my ear.
Yeah.
Like, I hear Da Vinci I do that song, yeah.
Yeah.
And I hear Vanessa Bling I do the chorus of the song. For some strange reason,
man.
I sit down and I listen, and I say, you know, so I'm going to tell Shaniis this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that. So I don't know if it's a possibility where the song can be reworked and so, but there's potential in that song. In my head still,
because me
Not
I
being a
perform that song
producer.
this week too.
Yeah, performing this
Yeah,
week.
man.
Beautiful song, man.
Yeah, man, our performance this week.
And earlier you were saying to me that it's actually, you know, a real life story.
Yeah.
You pen the song around.
Yeah, I actually left quad one night, you know, going home on Trafalgar Road. I just, yeah, man, just clap a man, just like nothing.
Another You
Just
Drop
drive
Again.
off like nothing. I said, why me have to see this? You know? And I'm me alone, I drive the night and it just, you know? I'm just come on. It was like after 4, I'm just come right into the studio, man.
Oh,
Go
yeah?
feel mic and carry it right beside me and just sing.
Beautiful song, my bro, man.
Yeah, man.
That song belong to you?
That was produced by Triton.
By Triton.
Yeah.
Yeah? In 26, we'll talk some more about, you know, because I know you build rhythm for other people.
Yeah.
In 2016, November 2016, you were involved in a serious accident, actually, because you were unconscious for a while, suffered some broken bones and stuff. What happened that night there? Morning, night, when was it? I think you were coming from an event?
No.
No?
I sat there.
The Sabbath?
Saturday evening. Saturday evening, my day here. Everybody knows I'm in work on Saturday. It's a G forward. Miss a G forward. And, you know, I say, G, you know, say, I Sabbath early. I say, no, man, but I've already want to hear, man. The Sabbath so done. If you know G, you know G.
We do whatever.
So, you know, outside a little bit and thing, you know, until Sabbath up then. Forward I strode, you know, and then Ginger came. So him say him did get a rhythm from Clevey.
Oh,
But him want to add some things to it. You know, him want to hear him can play some things on it and thing. So that was the vibe man where I work on a rhythm. So I end up tell him say, hey, you know, I meet a singer yesterday. You know, I feel like should I do well on your rhythm? Can they play a next rhythm to say I have a one drop rhythm I work on? So I say, yo, she sing one song where if you get that on your rhythm, you hit. And I say, call her then, because you have the ears, you know, so Ray, you know. So I call her and she say, up a morning I'm there. You know, and she did one baby shower. So I say, yeah, but I just tell you, say, an opportunity. So I come now, I know yesterday y'all make people vice me. You know? So she forward is true. So while she forward, me say to G, say, I hope a morning she there. I run a Sonia, she say. She said the Jenna married and I look at her. So she tell, you know? Yeah. So the man say, yo, go voice it is a song that. So we end up recording the song now. So same time when the song done, G the point, yo, buy some KFC, you know, bro, man. So I said, G, you know, I really left my house still. And I said, yo. G, I said, like, oh, I get a big song from the rhythm and the whole of we there and vibe it together. Most can go buy some KFC. So I said, all right. So same time now. Now, before we reach outside, the girl came. So the girl there try, her name is Tirave. Yeah, so she there try fit the song on the rhythm, but it never fit.
Okay.
So Gia said, no man, sing it again, man, and pressure upon it. So she said, it nah fit. So I said, G, I know nothing from my bill already. And you take the song like, as a single, like somebody don't tell you about it. So I step outside and she come outside too and say, if I can come with you. Because Mr. G has stressed me out. So I said, yeah man, you can forward, man. Me and her went for buy the KFC. And after we get the KFC, you know, I mind said, don't bother drive back through Marvally. Drive on the main. It was about after 10 now, 10:30 so. So I said, I drive Marvally, I take a next route go. So I go on the main, as I reach on the main and I drive, I just feel like a huge impact and that was it. Like it does happen so quick.
So somebody hit you?
Yeah, somebody ran in the back of the vehicle. And the car flipped, go over the opposite side of the road and bam, 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 bam. So, yeah, so, you know, it get crazy. crazy right there, so, you see me. So me and Tirave met in the accident of the car.
She wasn't, or she never sustained any serious injuries?
Yeah, man.
She did?
All right, her hand dislocate. But what happened when the windshield broke from the car, all I chop up her face. So,
Yeah.
she have that and, you know, kind of mess with her more time in her music, you know.
Yeah.
A pretty girl, you know.
Sorry for hear that, man.
Still a pretty girl, you know, but you know what I mean?
Yeah,
A pretty girl, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
General.
So, yeah.
You were unconscious. How long were you unconscious for?
About 2 to 3 days. So, yeah.
It's a long time to be unconscious in a room.
Yeah, everything what people tell me.
Yeah, what was broken?
My face. Yeah, I broke a couple bone when my jawbone they break. The bone right here broke and then it started to rest on my pupil. So they had to do a surgery. Took out my eyeball and fix it. So I had to get some metal place. So I have some metal on my face now.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
so.
How long it took you to, bounce back from
It took
that?
a minute,
physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually.
I still a recover, Enough things happen, Enough things happen. Only for people sell me out in the process.
Oh, yeah?
Only for artists where I look for give me a call, people say, Sean, you're good. Up to this day, never call me back, I don't know what happened, And the day before, me and them are work, You know what I mean? Because the narrative was, I lose my mind,
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know who spread that news there, and people there actually believe it. Say, Sean, because what happened, when the doctor did a scan on my brain, it's like it say, my brain a leak, it a bleed. So they are plan for lift the cap.
Oh.
So Fambo, big up Fambo. Fambo say you run back the scan again. This is what I've heard, So Fambo tell him, so run back the scan. And them run the scan, and them never see no bleeding. So thank God we never did do that. Because when I really do my research, it's not a lot of people who come back from a situation like that. Been at the hospital for a while, then I came home, and I do a video, and go tell everybody, thanks for the
I've watched the video.
Pity me no say, me not got through nothing yet. So I went back in and did the surgery now. So I do the surgery, my general. When I think I did go through, I not go through nothing yet. My eye get infected. I now see out of my 2 eye them. I lay down on my bed for months. First I thought them thing and I only who they around me know. Because I see true, I did come out with the first video, I did just love it.
Right.
I did lay down for a while, man, and thing, and a heap of people start disintegrate themselves from me. And they're there. And I have to big up my brother, Chris, my bro that they are one side of my bed and Natch that the next side. I talk about for hours in a silence. At the same time I wake up and say, yo, I hear one of them always there. I'm forever grateful for that. You know what I mean? Forever grateful for that, man. Yeah, man. But, you know, right after, a whole heap of things happen, man. I tell us, I go through it, man. Even now, like, I really a thing for, like, we have to do therapy as men. In Jamaica, we don't really promote mental health. And mental health, I mean mad. Because enough people think when you say mental health, and madness what I talk about. But it do everything for your well-being. Because I go through it, man. Because right after that, now I feel like I bounce back now and feel better. And, you know, I kept a party for my stepmother.
Sister Lynn.
Aunt Lynn, you know?
Lynn.
Yeah. And whole heap of people for her. It was such a blessing. Whole heap of artists come to. You know what I mean? Because she was loved by everybody. She was very militant. And she not frightened for nothing. No matter which artist come here, if you're not going to go, she walk up and say, hello. That's not how I run, man. You know what I mean? And that make them have so much respect for her. And then even with me, where no matter who the artist is, once they call me a certain time and the next day, because it give me what me have, so I no need for go on. And no matter who work 7 days a week, me will work my 6 and still get more than what you have. Because I'm sacrificing something for a greater cause. You know what I mean?
I never know, because I read a few articles, and like none of the articles mention a lot of the things that you said.
Because enough of the articles are people go writing. Even people who I expect to do better, run, go to media. What kind of hype you want me in the hospital? Gonna zip and gonna place, gonna tell people about my head a bleed and my head blow big when you should just. Them things that private thing or family affair thing, you know what I mean? Yeah.
I'm happy that, you know, the worst has passed, and, you know what I mean? Because I never know.
Yeah, man, so
imagine that the thing was that level, bro.
yeah, because right after me start get back on my foot now, and I put out the motivation rhythm.
Oh, okay.
And that rhythm there, and my sickness, I mix it, you know. Like, I just feel like if I don't do nothing on music, I go dead. I need something, I need to hear music. You know, and I come in there and struggle. I there work on everybody. I say, come out to the studio, let's see what. I mix it, and then I kept the party for all in. And I say, she, don't come out for your own party. I'm going to everyone and say, are you all of them people that come to you? I just not feel well. I say, what do you mean? But at least put on one of your nice dress, man. Even an hour and then I take time, close it off. I never know, say, bro, I'm gonna get a break, you know, like, I just start feel like I'm better, you know. And then right after, I'm a care guard doctor, and from a care guard doctor for the whole of 2017, doctor till no, October the 19th, she passed away. Yeah, man, that shit me up, bro. Because from me at 12, I'm me and her par, you know. Me and her par right through, you know what I mean?
Yeah, from the old man pass on, man. Jaja.
Yeah.
My condolences again with that, my bro, man.
Bro. Yeah, man, I'm a strong one because I don't grow weak. You see what I say? And I grow and see resilience surround me. Because we go through some things in my family now. We're there. So, you know what I mean? You know, there are some days where some memories come back, you know. Even some memories going to the hospital, flashback in my mind where tears just flow, you know. But I'm there and I can just feel the energy around me same way, you know what I mean. And God been blessing me. And I tell you, like, I'm on a whole different part now. It's like now I'm on a road where I really Seanizzle. Like, my first in my entire career, I say, I give Seanizzle a blah. Even when I have my career, I just feel afraid for even promote my song more than the artist or my voice. Because I don't want nobody feel like... I always put everybody before me because I just want everybody feel balance and thing. But this is the first time when I say, yo, I give Seanizzle a try. And I just see some crazy things that happen in my life. And I say, wow, sometimes you have to choose you know.
You have to do that sometimes.
Because people are going to choose themselves, you know. So you have to choose you, you know.
That's true, bro.
You there think about a person and say, oh, me not do it. So when for them time come, them gone left here, you know. Come on.
In the introduction, I introduced you as, you know, producer, songwriter, the songwriting aspect of the thing, and also I'm assuming that being so prolific at rhythm making, you may be somebody who makes rhythm for other producers.
Definitely,
Yeah. A lot of producers.
Yeah.
And the next question I'm going to ask is, have you ever worked on any rhythm for anybody that has actually gone out there and mashed on your place?
Yeah, man. Triton Music.
Triton.
Produce a lot of rhythms for you.
Okay.
You know, 7-Eleven with Dexter Daps. Intoxication rhythm. You know what I mean? Compassion rhythm. You know what I mean?
Oh, so Compassion Rhythm is actually his?
Yeah, I know you want me, I see it in your eyes. Yeah, man. So me normally build the rhythm, voice the song them, mix the song them, blast the song them. Yeah, man. You know, cause me have it say we are a team.
Oh.
Yes, man say. So me the thing say we are family.
Oh.
So if an artist come voice to me, I can play the rhythm, you know?
Okay.
So I do a whole heap of work for Triton to build a whole heap of rhythm for him. If I find one day, I say, try, I saw me stay. Not even try alone, I saw me stay. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, a whole heap of rhythm. Free Willy, you know what I mean? Build a rhythm for Arthur Wheels too.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Whole heap of, some of them never I remember right now, but a whole heap of people.
With the Triton thing, you use some words where, you know, you believe or you did think. It sound like things that's so good today on Triton.
No, we no deal again. You know what I mean? But me not have up nobody. You see me? Because I tell you, for live and go through, you can't walk and have up nobody. You know what I mean? It's just that, as I say, you will choose somebody, and when time comes, them choose themselves. You see me? Because I think I'm my brother. You see me? I have him as my brother, and I just this so, and then they might get the blessing now, and they start at different. You know? But I whole heap of years that now, you know. Because 2016 to now, a whole heap of years. You know what I mean? And I see him one day when him come heal me.
Okay.
You see me? Come heal me. And I talk to him.
Is it right?
You see me? I talk to him because guess what now? I have him as my brother. It's just that we reach a point on the journey where we have to go a separate way. You know what I mean? Me dey feel hurt because of things happen. You know, but as time grow, I just saw it go. A journey with the one, you know what I mean? So, as bad as things, I don't want nothing happen to you. Or nobody will me come in contact with. You know what I mean? And from me can't say, boy, that boy there, it's not so serious.
Yeah. It's not so serious.
That's it.
And
Yeah.
one more question before me, because I don't know what was the arrangement with the, and you know, because you say it was supposed to be a team. So in terms of the business aspect of them rhythms that you mentioned, are you earning from those?
No, I'm not getting the money off it.
Oh, so no
You want to talk about that,
and them thing,
you want to talk
you
about
don't want to talk about that. I remember.
See me?
We get it. You're right. Officially for anybody, or is you do a
You know,
producer
say,
and a man want a line?
You know, so every song we voice in the studio, 90% of them may have a one line, right? But yeah, but me not gonna come. You're not gonna see me write Sean Reed pan none of them there, unless I me write the entire song. And even if I write the entire song, we still add something because I done me compose the rhythm.
Right.
So what the artists are gonna get? You know what I mean? Even though you might write the song or come up with the idea. No man, me no. That narrative that when me come here, when my group come here, me not like it. So all if me write a song, I still give you a song, brother.
See,
You know, me no want that round me.
Yeah.
So when it even come near me, what me did, me say, God, I will go on. Me pray about this. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's that.
Yeah, man.
How are things generally though, business related as it relates to, publishing and royalties around your work?
My thing them set, I just for people when I work with, I them choose not to be honest sometimes. You know what I mean? But the thing about is, Seanizzle my name, you can't ramp with my thing them. Because you go against me and a man call me from the same place where you go against me. I say, Sean, come check these paperwork. This don't look right. You all don't know. You see me? Yeah, man, just live good with people and just do the right thing. And I do something there. Me on the straight and narrow. My success no come one go, because me on the straight and narrow. But it a forward and me I get it and me give thanks.
Yes, as I said, success. You see, when you assess the journey thus far, yeah? When you sit down and look at it and reflect and analyze it, what along the journey so far give you a sense of, a sense of gratitude, a sense of appreciation?
Everything.
Everything.
Everything. The good and the bad and everything. Because without the bad, we can't learn. From the bad, we get the lessons,
Yeah.
And we learn. So, because sometimes we not do nothing wrong, But sometimes the bad wake you up and make you be more aware about a lot more things, you know what I mean?
Past life
So
journey.
everything make me who I am today.
So you're not no musical regrets then?
Musical regrets?
Yes, and along the journey, if you then do some things differently, you shouldn't do it and when you assess it.
At this point in time, it done gone. Anything that happened already, done gone already. The greatest thing, 2016 November the 26th
26 or
to
27.
27. Yeah, some people say 26, 27. Let me get licked from one day going on next day. So, work with 2 days. Any day nobody wants it. Could I lose my life there, so? You see me? And God give me a second chance. And me there 2 days I do an interview, we teach them. So how am I still talk about the past? That means the journey still continue. You know what I mean? So anything we never get then, maybe we never did forget it. And some things maybe you're not supposed to get at all.
Remember we have a conversation before we start the interview. So more time when anything happen, it's for a reason.
Yeah, so I saw me look my life, brother. Because everything where I have, they around me already. I just me I forget it.
See, pray.
And some things God say, I'm not time yet. All right, come now. You know what I mean? Maybe in 2010, I would want a Benz. But maybe I get a Benz 2010, I nobody want to go through them. I want to drive up and down. And then as a young youth at 25-year-old and your songs them a play, maybe be a girl a call you and you start get distracted. But instead, I drive one Toyota Corolla in 2010 with the hottest songs. But it keep me very... And it kept me grounded.
Yeah.
So moving forward to now, not fears me again. Me just give God thanks and live. And from me can do music because me thank God. Say, I'm alright and I still can do music. I don't know how much I feel for just lay down and I can't do my love. Rather than nobody there.
Ultimately, when it's all said and done, what do you want your musical legacy to be?
Inspiring, motivating, Even my past and gone and somebody can listen to one of my songs I produce all 20, 30 years and say, yo, this inspires me, I want to do this, I want to do music. Or I have a bad day. Like those are the biggest awards for me,
Yes.
Somebody have a bad day and can say them put on one of my songs, them and it change the mood. Them atmosphere just change. Like for me, that's what we do it for, Because that's the first love, Anything else is a blessing, added blessing.
Sure.
But from your songs, them can speak to somebody. But at the airport, I'm an old lady, Marks her old, she's such a 92. And she met me out and I said, you sing One Day. That's one of my favorite songs. Sing it for me now, please. And I said, how old are you? And I said, that one is supposed to know, not King Cole and them people. She's supposed to research age, this is my era, this.
True.
And them little thing there, and some little kids. We even go in a Marvel more time. And some little youth at 3-year-old. I sing your song them and I call your name, man. For no say, me can have impact from a wide range of age.
From you to.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
like, them things there for me,
Yes.
a big thing. 'Cause when me can say, you know, teach them. Enough success when I forget, me never get. Right? But you see, impact with the people them, that priceless, you know. You can't pay for that, you know. So, me as a man there now in a 2024. I got 25, you know. And I can in my studio and not for worry about who might be the bigger man or who might want to stop my thing. Because my thing is no longer in the hands of
Next man.
no man will feel like I dem a control. God has blessed me with my music. I surpassed so many different diasporas in the world. Where me just there I'm grateful. Like, the biggest thing for me. Me can come off a radar and we do big things and nobody no same way.
I like that. Who you know work with it production wise, where you don't mind do some work with?
Sean Paul. Sean Paul, what go on?
Sean Paul and Seanizzle.
Yeah, what go on?
Yeah, what go on?
Yeah, like I do mixing, I build rhythm, but I've never had a Sean Paul and a Seanizzle Records label before, you know what I mean? There's so much artists.
Enough guessing in
Yeah,
that,
man, Shaggy, you know what I mean? I want to do some work with Massacre now. Like, I've done work with Massacre before, but now, like the Massacre you know, I feel like where's that is where I'm at right now. And I feel like I have some music where we connect and do some work, it would be great, you know what I mean?
I interviewed Crickety recently and like I feel in the way after Massacre, same thing basically.
Yeah.
Man.
Whole heap of artists, man. Whole heap of artists. I can't, like, when you say that to me, I say, I'm a fan of music, you know.
Me
You know what I mean? So it's like, me hear an artist who nobody never hear yet, and me get excited. You know what I mean? So when you say that to me now, it's like my brain just start to run like, I can call about 50 more names. You know what I mean? Yeah, we love music. You know what I mean? So as long as me I do music and the passion is there, I can always have artists who I want to work with.
I'll go on for your clothing line.
It'll come, you know. Yeah, man. I'm glad. Hey, see. Hey, teach them.
Yourself, man.
Teach them.
I work with a brother. I work.
No, because you want me to teach them. A whole heap of artists ask me, who am I stylist, you know. And I say, you know, I dress myself most of the time. Well, all the time.
I like
I dress myself. Yeah. My lady get me something. She get something off of, oh, she see the style of me carry myself.
Right.
You know what I mean? So, from this year, I'm supposed to learn something, but, you know, with so much things happening, this year has been a really good year. You know, it kind of pushed to our next year. To go China, meet with some designers and things as well. And,
so like things in the pipeline.
Yeah, a whole heap of things, man. A whole heap of things. We got Italy and I see him energy.
I see you do a Milan run on night time.
Yeah.
Fashion capital, man.
Yeah. Music, and then that meet me over there. Because I never go there about no fashion, I go there about music. But somebody said to me, say, who are you modeling for? I said, I'm sorry, brother. Can I model him at that about? And I said, no, and a conversation started and it just
flowed.
Yeah, so, you know, I mean, a lot of things definitely we are talking about right now.
Yeah,
you know?
realize that you're in a good place, though.
Yeah,
spiritual wise, you know,
man.
emotionally wise.
I
realize
light. I say one day I get mad and just lick down my studio. If you say I'm mad that time, then I understand that time. In a COVID, I just come in here and I just take a hammer and just start tear down. And I say, you see, too much baggage in that energy. I need a new energy. I'm on a new journey. I lick down the studio and then when I lick it down, I not build it back. And team up with my bro S-Lock Entertainment. I will end up renovate, I'm a student doing the park, and
Okay.
renovate one of the studios. And I write this, and I say, you know, here's something I got work. And like, I did it one night in the whole. But before, I realized that I have difficulties because the COVID and then them a give away the cut-off time and me as a man, I get inspired
You couldn't
by
just
the
walk out
least
your
little
bed, come in
thing.
the studio.
More than near music at all time, and then I carry all of my equipment down there. So I'm there, I don't have nothing. So, and then by the time I forget ready and drive, I forget everything I'm already planned for. So this not gonna work. And one night I'm down there, and I pray. I say, Father God, I don't know what this happened to it. I don't know what the direction of the music I go and thing. So you guide me, and a voice say, oh, come finish your studio.
Finish it.
So my lady fall, I just meet her at the time. And she came on my house and I show her around the house and she come and say, me, so she said, what kind of room this? I said, right in here, so the studio did there. So she said, the studio where all of them big songs that me know before me know you, they do. I said, oh yeah man. So she said, something wrong with you? So the magic the writer so, yeah, that's where the magic. Start build back your studio. I don't know it come like the word them connect to me different.
I'm glad you tell her that.
Start, yeah man. I start work on the studio same time. I build the studio 4 times. Enough time I go through in the earth in a brother. It's like the studio can't build. I change work man. I spend millions on material or waste. And we just finally get it right. I got foreign for 6 months. I take a break and I say, oh, this out for mad.
You're running like a family.
Go away. I got foreign, but I want them to do foreign and build 500. I never build so much in my life.
You just probably need a different scene.
Yeah, no, at first, I have nobody I can about, nothing at all. At the first in my life, I have no whole heap of responsibility. It's like when I'm there, it's like I have a whole heap of responsibility. And when I go and realize, I say, why do I have so much responsibility? And when I really check it, enough of the responsibility them, and me going to take on people problem for myself. I'm saying you need to choose yourself. You know, and since I start walk that part, then I realize how much things was already there for me when I need for the stretch out and get. But me I try to help the world.
See,
and then now I just see God just say, hold this boy. Hold this.
I'm glad you finish the studio. And as a man, we're kind of in tune to something like me look on a signal chain as alone.
Yeah.
Like, without even talking about the money, just about the quality.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Like, it's just different level, brother. So I'm glad you're done.
Thanks, man.
I'm glad you're done.
Give thanks.
And them son. Bro, for the people out there, promoters, artists who don't know who to find Shaniis, how they find them.
You can find me on Instagram at Seanizzle Music. I have a website, Seanizzle.com. Gmail, SeanizzleRecords@gmail.com. Yeah, man.
So read. Big up yourself, man. You have done a lot in your young days, you understand. You're kind of coming at the music at a point in time. Had something different, had something fresh, something new, something fun, something happy, man.
Give
You
thanks,
understand?
man.
I realize now that the journey though, and this is why we do what we do too. So you see the artist or you see the producer and you don't even know some of the things that happen around a background. So I realize that the journey has been, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Very fulfilling but also
Yeah, man.
very rough at times and thing, and you hold it and pull through, and especially with the accident, like that must have taken a lot of strength for kind of, you know what I mean? Get up and get moving again, brother.
Yeah, man, we give thanks, man. We give thanks.
We appreciate what the man has been doing with the music and for the music, brother. One of the man will get a little bit of the old school flavor and everything too, because
you know, me not even get for say, in the midst of everything, big up Steely and Clevey. You know, some day and the man, Steely just called me one day and say, are you make reverse rhythm? I say, yeah, man. Come check me. And the day we go check Steely, I locked down, I locked that studio for 2 years. 2 years, I do another work. I turn a student all over again, man. I got the opportunity
So
to
Studio
spend 2
2000?
years to be around Studio 2000. And I tell you, say, when I come back in here,
Ready.
I'm ready. I just, you know,
I read the school at bro.
may your soul rest in peace. With General Steely. I learned so much around them, man,
imagine.
them with General, man. But Bex him not there, more time I build all already, man. Say, yes, I'm build 90s than that already. Uncle Steely should have there for hear this, you know. Yeah, man, enough time I build some already, man. I said, John, I wish Uncle Steely did there for hear this, you know. You know? Yeah, man.
Bro, go and do the thing and go on, you know what I mean? Make some rhythm we're gonna last it test of time, brother.
Yeah,
We
man.
now have a whole lot of people that do the thing.
Yeah, man.
On
All right, that's
certain
it there.
level,
And what day am I there now? I'm there in here and just go online and type in a rhythm and Bobby Digital documentary came up. And I watch it and tears just start flow from my eye. And it's like it just gives me a whole different energy for music. And it's like that tears there was the end of a journey and a chapter for start a new. This chapter now is the songs them we go for the soul. Because when I listen to the songs them we produce, all of them songs
Connect.
I have a space in my heart from a child to now. I say to myself, say, I just say it then now.
My bro, go and do the work and we know say in the future, when the thing then connect out so run at some part, we have some things to talk about again. I appreciate the reason,
Yeah,
brother,
man,
and the history, man. You
Give
understand
thanks to the opportunity.
It's
Enough
a
things
joy,
I want
man.
to say a long time, and this is the opportunity I finally get for really make people really know who Seanizzle is. Because some I interview them basic.
I know what things set up.
You know?
And we appreciate the fact
So
that you were
give thanks to
comfortably enough to be able to kind of, you know, say some things we never said before, brother. Give thanks to that. But we're always here, man. We're always there.
Yeah, man,
brother.
and heart of love, man. Everybody will say Seanizzle, I just love and respect every time. And everybody when I come in contact over the years, whether we are talk now or we're not talk now, heart of love. And we have to just make sure so we're out there at the right place. Because in the day it's all about you. Big up on yourself, enough love. Seanizzle representing for teachers, so you know the whole entire rest of the set thing.
Man.